Yo, it's good. It's your boy Trumpito. I'm back on the mic. One time, DJ Hasan on the beat. You know what time it is? Yo, drop that beat, son. Yo, what the fuck though? It's Trumpito. I'm very cool and very legal. A tubular dude. I'm very cool. My brand is huge. I smoke Hillary really bigly. What's good? Yo, check it. Trumpito Billy dub me on the dap, and I'll get you fucking clapped. Nah, stop! Damn! Nah, stop! Yeah, that's all you get for free. You niggas want freestyles? You want bars? Yo, vote for me in 2020 if you want more bars. Holla at your boy.
On facts, no cap.
You know what I'm saying? I'm calling Tekashi. He's running with me. He's going to be my running mate.
MAGA.
And also,
MAGA gang. You know what it is.
Red hats turn up.
Free the homie.
Let's get it.
Free Tekashi.
Yo.
Free Roger Stone. Free Paul Manafort. He got the ostrich jacket.
You know what I'm saying? That's word.
Free the homie.
Facts.
He ain't do nothing.
You know what I mean? Trumpito out. Suck my dick from the back.
The freestyle will make Amoroso come back.
What is this? Episode 137.
Oh my God.
137. Wow. 137 episodes of the Bodega Boys. That's your boy Jesus Nice, and this would be
the Kid Mero.
Okay.
Also, 137 is a very dangerous street in the Bronx, and I do not recommend that you walk down it at night.
Yeah, that's cool. Live from the Jam Room in Milk Studios.
We jamming?
We are jamming. Oh, man.
Also,
NBA jamming.
Yeah.
Shout out to the sponsors. Was it Cash App?
Yeah.
Cash App.
Gang, you know what I'm saying?
New show on Showtime.
Yeah.
Debuting February 21st, 2019. Shout out to Fiji Water, the new water sponsor. Keep us hydrated.
Shout out to Daiana with the water effects.
She's the water girl.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. We're remaking that. We're making Adam Sandler's The Water Boy.
That's right. Mommy Boucher over here.
I don't think you'll remake that. That movie was it because he was like kind of developmentally challenged.
Yes.
Nah, he graduated from college. He overcame.
True.
They made radio. Come on.
No, not doing radio again. Not on camera.
Yo,
don't fuck up a bag like Kevin Hart.
Yo, seriously, I don't know what Cuba did to take that role because, fam.
No, it was a wave. People forget about Sean Penn and I Am Sam. And can you imagine him getting the script and being like, "Yo, I'm gonna body this.
I'm gonna body this. Yo,
this is the one."
Yo, and it's just like practicing in the mirror. I'm not even gonna do it. But you imagine it.
There used to be a market. There used to be a market for that kind of humor.
That is wild.
But they said,
remember, Life Goes On.
Yeah.
Obladi.
Shout the Corky. But that was actually kind of empowering though for people with Down syndrome.
How would you know? You don't have Down syndrome.
You know what I'm saying? But
you don't know if it was or it wasn't. Maybe they didn't like the representation.
That's possible, but
maybe they felt it was playing like Corey was doing some sort of like blackface
for
people with Down syndrome. How do you know they wasn't watching it like, look at this coon?
Look at this coon. I was gonna do that in a different voice, but I'm not even gonna do that because we woke now. You know what I'm saying? Pow. You know what I'm saying? We got sponsors, nigga. We got sponsors.
Niggas is not trying to fuck up a bag.
No, fam, no.
Damn, why did Kevin Hart just apologize?
Listen, I don't like.
Why would not for nothing?
I think he has too much money now. He feels like he's like, man, fuck you. I'm not apologizing for shit.
That's true. He just did a show in Perth, Australia.
You know what I'm saying?
That might be too much money.
And I'm pretty sure it was sold out. Like I don't.
Well, there's not really anything else to do in Perth, Australia.
That is also true. Fight kangaroos.
Have
and
the
shit.
wild home invasion by some wallabies and shit.
Dingoes and shit running up in your crib.
His net worth is $120 million. I would not have taken that Oscars. He don't need that shit.
Yeah,
you don't need that stress.
Man.
Come on.
That's just mad rehearsals and niggas don't know.
Niggas not gonna get no one likes the jokes.
Fam.
Half America thinks they're outrageous. You say one thing and niggas is like,
oh, he's way
boycott
too
you.
edgy.
Get it.
Like imagine us doing that shit, bruh. For grand opening, grand closing.
You get 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yo, what's up, Oscars? What's up, motherfuckers?
Yo, what up, nigga?
Y'all niggas want to talk about some films?
Yo, we got films on direct.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, first of all, we got Marshall Ali from the nigga from not the gay nigga, but the nigga from Moonlight. But he had Green Card, Green Book. The nigga eating fucking wings and shit.
Yo,
I ain't seen it, but you white people might have enjoyed it.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, Marshmallow Ali, I salute you, my G.
Next we got, what other movies came out?
That shit with the white lady, you know what I mean? Probably. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? It's usually that.
Whose phone is not on silent?
Oh my God!
Wow!
Hey!
Wow!
I'm sorry.
Wow.
Are we disrupting your shot?
Wow!
Okay.
Wow!
They gotta turn the camera on yourself and do like the shame face and shit.
Shame face.
Are you ashamed? Give me a nod. Are you ashamed?
Shame.
Yes.
Shame.
You are.
Shame.
Wow. It be your own people.
As you can see by the giant stuffed dog in the corner, this is a very serious show that we take very seriously.
We're only here to talk about Central New Jersey politics. Up next on the agenda, a new retaining wall. Should the taxpayers pay for it? Here we have local hydrofilter expert Victor Lopez to talk about the low impact. And also, I was wondering, Uber rerouting over the aquafilter, is that a negative or a con?
You know that he knows what he's talking about because he's drinking kombucha.
Yes.
This shit'll get your guts going.
Look at this.
I'm gonna have to leave in like 5 minutes.
Look at this dichotomy right here.
Yo, about living strong.
Yeah, we make a lot of Bruno Mars jokes, but that's why I be looking like Pharrell at your funeral. I keep it green. I keep it healthy.
Oh no, there will be no Jesus funeral. I have uploaded my consciousness into the cloud. I will forever be here, niggas. Okay,
That's what I'm dead ass doing. Like, yo, fam, when I die, I'm putting a mausoleum with a hologram me in it. That's just gonna roast you every time you come to leave me flowers and shit. Like, those are flowers you came with, nigga. Them shits was from Costco. Boy, you got them shits from Costco.
The legs is gonna be flickering like boy.
I'm switching to Pitbull on April Fool's Day. Be like, no one will notice.
No, my mausoleum is just like every random visit is just grabs the person and sucks them inside with me. How bad do you miss me?
That's terrifying. Yeah, you just hugged them and shit. He's like animatronic, like
oh my god! The groundkeeper's like, not again, get the broomstick.
You know, you could do that now.
Yeah.
Rest in peace, Dia Francia. Thank you for everything you did for our family. Died at 103. Love you. We can cut that out later.
You know what I'm saying?
But you can buy the mausoleum now. Yo, she paid for her whole funeral. She had the wreath and everything like picked out. Like
That's
my family
crazy.
showed up. And they were like, what do we got to do? And they were like, nothing. She'd been prepping for this for like 30 years.
I paid for X extensions. He's my cousin. We're Jamaican. Did you know that?
He's
No, I'm
Jamaican?
kidding. He is
I was about
Jamaican.
to say, I was-
He's Jamaican. I didn't know that. That would explain a lot about him.
Wow, that now
He's not really, because you know what, his backstory was never on my radar. It was like, oh,
Yeah, it's just like, yo,
a lot of people's backstories are not on my radar.
Damn, bro. That's
Are you a
fucking
fan
crazy.
of Blueface?
Blueface?
Are you guys? He's like the hot new rapper or the kid.
Oh yeah, the Crip dude.
Yeah.
that rap's completely off beat.
Is it? It's not. He's off beat. It's just like the beat is off him.
Yeah,
There you go.
let's get it.
I might be on beat, but don't get distracted from the message. No such thing as right music, just make sure that I left an impression. These days, niggas sound good on beat, but they not saying nothing. I'm the opposite.
I'm like
Close
the
your
Jay-Z
eyes,
meme,
just
like-
listen for a
Like,
second.
yeah,
I only
like,
got
okay.
60 seconds just to leave an impression.
I'm the Alonzo Morning gift. Like, okay,
Really? Y'all really?
Is this really new or did he just
I mean,
bite
so-
Big Sean's whole
no,
style?
no,
though?
this is-
did he
this
just bite
is-
Big Sean's whole
Is
style?
it? But people was just like, he's the first offbeat rapper, and I'm just like,
since like, so, I'm like,
I was like, God, Silk the Shocker didn't die for this shit.
Come on, B.
What about Kool Keith, huh?
Fucking E40, nigga. Like, there's mad offbeat rappers.
But see, you can't say shit like that because then you come off as a old head.
Old head, hip hop,
Nothing worse.
hip hop.
Nothing worse than being a hip hop old head.
Oh man,
Sitting online arguing with niggas. Niggas be like, oh, I like this track. You like that track? You know what the original reference track from that is?
Yo.
That was a rare B-side for Capone and Noriega. Know your history, nigga.
no motherfucker. Respect
Motherfucker.
hip hop.
Turn your IP address and I'll come fuck you up.
Respect the artistry of the hip hop
Niggas' hands are
movement.
like 12 inches. Right? Nigga, I built my first turntable myself.
You know what I'm saying?
From twigs.
Nigga, I invented techniques.
You know what I'm saying?
Motherfucker.
Nigga, I had to. Back in my day, we had the fucking electric slide to school.
Yo, I used to throw free bass and fucking rock his blunts back in the day. What you know about that? Curtis Blow, I was Curtis Blow's dealer, nigga.
Nigga, I was blowing Curtis.
Didn't he play like the? No. That was
Curtis
Bill
Blow's
Nye.
name is
You said
Curtis
Bill
Blow
Nye?
because it's coke.
No, Bill Nye brought him up. I was
Oh,
like,
okay.
doesn't he like play the trumpet or something?
I was like,
Yeah.
No, he
like,
does.
I was like, he's about to tell us something about Bill Nye and Curtis Blow.
No, Bill Nye was like, you guys know Curtis Blow?
A movie with Bill Nye and Curtis Blow invent crack.
Yo.
Yeah, I watched that.
Because Curtis got the yay and he's like, yo, how can I flip this yay into something that's gonna pay? And Bill Nye's like,
Baby papa.
a baby bubba.
Now what you need is sodium, aluminum, and calcium. A baby papa.
A baby bubba, nigga just spit his bow tie and shit.
You and me gonna be rich. Now let's hit the club and get on some bitches.
Hey.
Because of the wild fur. Nigga driving a DeLorean down 145th Street. One leg out.
With the door open?
Yeah. Building out with the wild Cazals with no lenses. They got the wild dinner plate chain. Like, yo.
Pumas with no laces. They got the ballies on and shit.
Nigga crash the whip and go cop another one cash. Nigga go to the rooftop. Cameron trying to rob him.
Yeah.
He's getting shot every day.
You tough, right, Bill?
Oh shit!
He's like, actually, I do science.
They get shot through the periodic table. Yeah, you watch that.
Yo, come on, son.
Yo, shout out to Dick Wolf, you rich bastard.
Asshole.
You rebooting.
No, I'm not going to call you asshole on record.
No.
You're too rich for that.
Yeah, we're peoples. We're peoples. Now they're rebooting New York Undercover.
Yeah.
Without, the two biggest draws in Hollywood right now.
I mean, honestly.
You know us, ringside boys.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Front row boys be out here, you know what I'm saying? Doing the big, you know what I'm saying? Getting blood splashed on us, all
You know what I'm
that.
saying? I caught a tooth at the Wilder fight.
That's right.
Shit was real.
I don't know if it was British or American, but hey,
It was jagged. It was Furies, definitely.
Furies? Okay, cool.
He was like, I don't even need it back.
I don't want to make.
I don't want to make.
I just want to make. It's good.
Got 26 more.
Tea goes down easier when you got a gap in your mouth.
Damn. No, we're not on the New York Undercover reboot. But then we could just make our own. We don't have to get Dick Wolf anymore.
Yeah, we gotta cut
How
the
hard
check.
is it? All right,
Bro.
We running around like a turtleneck and some Durangos.
He's like
Catching niggas like running out. They didn't pay at brunch, and we gotta chase them down.
You know what I'm saying?
How far you get in the Chelsea boots, nigga?
Nigga just slipping, man.
They can turn the corner and just tackle like I guess those mimosas aren't endless. The guy's like, he ran out 12:50. Why did you fire 4 warning shots at him? To get to a wild shootout at HK, like, bow, bow.
The fucking first episode of the pilot.
Hit a nigga in the scone.
Shit, damn. The scone is mad hard. Shit is bulletproof. Shit ricochets, hits a kid and shit. Nah, we in trouble. Our frazzled lieutenant is like, you fucking shot a kid.
At brunch.
What's wrong with you guys? Give me your fucking gun and your badge right now.
I'm like,
you're on paid leave.
Take out like 5 guns.
Out the ankle, out the other ankle.
Got like an AR strapped to my thigh. Like, yo, you serious?
Nigga take out the Wild Division loadout. Like, yo.
Nigga take out the rocket launcher. Take out each RPG. Like,
yo, here, nigga, damn, bro. Damn. Yo, I almost crafted this, bro. Can I finish crafting it first?
I was prestiging, man. I was on level 42. Niggas don't respect shit.
Come on, B. You know I'll be in a dark zone.
Dark Zone. That's our new album with Kid Cudi. That's the name of it.
Oh shit! I heard a snippet of it. She was fire.
Every time I feel happy, I feel sad. Weed is all I have to smoke to feel glad.
The Kanye coming like, yo, I have fucked an Asian girl. I call her chopsticks. I'm like, yo, my man.
Sushi sauce on my sheets.
Yo, come on. What are you doing?
If I fuck you, I call that fuck sauce. But if you're Chinese, do we call that duck sauce?
I'm like, oh.
Damn, this nigga Kanye sucks. This nigga's terrible.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
I'm like, yo.
When's the last time you heard a Kanye verse and you were like, damn. Even his verse on Daytona was trash.
Fam.
I know Pusha T was like, he was like, am I too complex for complex con? I know Pusha T was like,
oh, man.
I'm going back selling drugs.
He's like, yo, who wrote this for you, nigga? Logic?
Am I too complex for complex con? He stole that for Am I too turtle for the Turtle Club.
Oh, my
Dana Carvey got to give him them pause.
Yeah. Nigga, he's got good defense. You know what I'm saying? Nigga just tuck his head in his shell and shit.
Turtle.
God damn.
Shout out to George Bush. He died. He's been having a funeral for like 8 days now.
Yo, let the nigga get out of here.
That was longer than Derek Jeter's farewell.
Ooh,
Damn.
that nigga got stink too.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I mean, no disrespect. Nah, I mean,
who cares?
He did Willie Horton. Fuck that.
Yeah, fuck out of here.
He did mad illegal shit.
Fam, he started the whole Middle Eastern fucking conflict
he
shit, bro.
Honduras.
Niggas
Niggas set up niggas to sell crack, so he had like the
B.
press conference shit.
The singular reason I hate George H.W. Bush the most is because I had to work with a nigga who was in Desert Storm, and he was kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, still in
jumpy?
that mode. Yeah, he was a
Yeah.
little jumpy. And it was like, I was like, fam, I can't even work with you, fam. Because I turn around and you fucking ready to fire on me. I'm like, you don't even got a weapon, my G. Like you don't know. Like, fam, I'm trying to get out of here. Just get my lunch and lay low, B. Come on, B.
Not rock the boat.
Come on, Jose told me to suck his dick twice, man. Come on, let me live, bro.
I'm just doing this job because like in 8 years, nigga, I'm about to be on TV. So you know,
right.
I'm just passing time.
Come on, man.
What if you go back in time and tell yourself you're gonna have a Showtime show?
Woo! I'll be like, word, nigga? Run it.
You're gonna be like, nah, nigga, I'm too rich for you, Robbie.
Some bodyguard didn't come out of nowhere.
You can fuck up the time power though.
Shit.
Because then you'd be like, oh, I'm gonna eventually have a show, and you don't like work towards having the show.
Yeah, you just be mad lazy and shit. Just be like, it's just gonna come. It's gonna come. And then that show ends up being like Ghettonomics reboot on fucking Bronx Day.
Woo! Which I don't know why we're not doing it. Now that you mention it.
Ghettonomics.
Ghettonomics. Shout out to Ghettonomics, me. Where you at, my guy? Shout out to Choke No Joke and the Tunnel fucking documentary that's been coming out for the last 15 years.
Yeah, what's taking so long about this Tunnel documentary?
Yo, come on, make it happen.
You don't know? If you know what happened in the who's gonna sign a release for that?
That's true.
Industry Victor put his industry hat on. He's like, yo, actually,
I'm sure the crimes, like the statute of limitations on those crimes is passed though.
I mean, if they got like juvenile sniffing wild coke like on camera,
the Tunnel wasn't like
was smoking krills. What is
the Tunnel wasn't really a coke. Tunnel wasn't coke. Tunnel was like weed and shit.
Yeah, but the Hot Boys, which one? The big one, BG.
Okay, yeah.
Big guy?
Yeah,
BG,
BG, big guy, makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
He was like on that dog food heavy, like.
I
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes you gotta get right.
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got Michael Anthony in the shit.
You know,
what I mean?
sometimes the little chuck wagon comes running through the house. You gotta chase it. You know what I mean? Sometimes you need a little Ukanuba, get the day started, a little eye opener. You know, feed the pups.
You know what I mean? Get the Purina in your system.
You know? You know? Sometimes, you know, you might be going to work, but you might be going to the Westminster Dog Show, if you know what I mean.
You know what I mean?
I'm trying to be first in breed.
Hey, I'm the working class group over here. Come on, hey.
424, 425.
Yeah.
Mike Anthony, get ready.
Yeah,
Come on.
get.
How you doing? It's Slow-Mo the Clown. I'm here for your Joshua's bar mitzvah.
Actually, we already booked a clown. We booked Benzo.
No, Benzo is no longer allowed to do appointments in Bergen County. He steals Benzes.
What?
No, nothing happened.
Shlomo, what happened?
You ended. Go back in the car. You finished. You performed already.
I did?
You performed already.
I did?
All right, kids who want to spin dreidels.
All right, cool.
On my nipples, yeah.
Can I go to the van?
Yeah, go in the van.
Can you bring me a plate of food,
I
please?
got you. We'll play for you. Yeah, I forgot it.
Damn, Benzo. Hey, it's Benzo the Clown.
It's like 11 p.m.
Everybody's gone.
The bouncy house is half deflated. There's mad crickets in the background. Like
I just lay down in the bouncy house and shit deflates on top of me. Like,
it's just end credits, but it's like acoustic version of Silent Morning. Silent Morning. Benzo. So is Benzo? Wait, I'm lost now because Michael Anthony got a pill from Benzo and became Michael Anthony. Damn.
He got a pill from Benzo, and then he was like, "Yo, Benzos ain't enough. I need opioids."
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Slippery cycle.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn. It's dark. So he eventually hooks up with Yesenia, but he's only using her because she has access to the prescription pad.
Yeah.
But she realizes that, and she's like, "DK, you think I'm stupid?"
Yo, you think I'm stupid, nigga? Every time I come back with a prescription pad, you be asking me for this shit just to think I look at it and see what it looks like because you want to take the MCAT, motherfucker.
I write you love letters on it.
No, stupid. You writing fucking Percocet 10 milligrams.
I need a script.
Refill unlimited, nigga.
Yes.
That's what it says here. That's since I love you, Yesenia. All right?
That's my love language.
No, stupid.
My love language.
I read the 5 love languages.
Nodding out.
I love languages. I read it. It's by Gary Chapman. It's a very good book. It's the 5 love languages, my nigga. Okay, and opioid abuse is not one of them.
You read that on the Fortran.
I'm gonna call my mommy.
You always be reading. I like that. You be reading.
Papi, come over here right now, Papi.
No.
He's wilding. You gotta get him out of here.
I'll fuck your father up.
No, Papi, come here with the fucking machete, Papi. Please. He's wilding. He's slumping right now. He's drooling on himself. Papi, I think he did pee on the couch. Good thing you put plastic on it.
How your boyfriend pee on How?
Niggas just laying there like, yo. Niggas just like, I could go to the bathroom, but.
Why? There's plastic here. If you peeing on your girl's couch,
yo,
y'all either really comfortable in that relationship or it's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Or y'all both in a bad spot. Like.
Yeah. Because you laugh, but you do see couples every now and then. You be like, damn, y'all fucked up.
Damn.
But y'all fucked up together.
Together.
And a couple fucked up together will stay together.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? Y'all both working on getting that, getting that bag.
Speaking of couples that were fucked up couples that did not stay together, unfortunately, Cardi B and Offset are no more.
Damn, you gotta put this back. Oh, sad.
Damn.
I mean, how could they couldn't stick together? It was like too many external pressures.
They were I feel like they were too hood. Like Cardi B needs to get with like a Herb. Like she needs to get with one of the Jonas Brothers. You know what I mean? Like somebody that she could son.
Well, she just
Cardi B's if a nigga make this like, yo, I'll impregnate you
right here.
right now.
I'm right here.
Well, here's the thing now.
Listen to my voice. I'm right here, girl.
Here's the thing now is anyone that gets with Cardi B got to deal with Offset. That's the baby
that's
father
the baby
now.
father. Oh wow.
Okay,
Imagine him.
If I had to deal with Offset 8 years ago, no. He's rich.
That's true. Yeah.
He's rich, but he's not gonna take any kind of. You can't be disrespected and shit. Look at Future and look at fucking
Russell Wilson.
Yeah,
and
all
he's
that
like
shit.
super polite.
But where's
Alright.
that drama?
But you know what it is?
Drama online
let's
and
be real.
Instagram and shit.
Future is not mad at Russell Wilson. Future is mad because Ciara chose a Herb. But he's always been
not a herb.
Russell always been a
Russell
herb.
Wilson is not a. He's not a herb.
He's kind of.
He's not a herb. He will fuck all of us up.
He would.
He will fuck all of us up.
There is no doubt in my mind that is absolutely true. But comparatively to the rest of the NFL, like if you put him next to Marshawn Lynch, he's a
What
herb.
makes him a herb?
Like he's just like
Because he's clean.
Because he looks and
speaks
sounds
well,
like me, nigga.
and he loves his family.
Yeah.
Like why am I the person defending Russell Wilson here?
Yo, we
He went to NFL, beat the shit out of their girlfriends, and y'all like, yeah, but Russell Wilson's a herb.
You have a point there,
All
my
right,
friend.
yeah,
I would
I
also
gotta
like
admit,
to point
yeah.
out
You
that
got a really solid
we have
point there.
really come. This is beautiful. I want us just to absorb this moment. We have come full circle. I think on the first episode ever of the podcast, we were deciding whether or not Russell Wilson was actually black or
No, it was Colin Kaepernick. We were trying to figure out if Colin Kaepernick was actually black.
Like, or who's the blackest? Cam Newton, Colin Kaepernick, or
Right.
Russell Wilson? Yes.
Well, you know what? That was when we were ashy, we were poor.
Yes.
Still taking the bus.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Very MTA'd up.
Now niggas paying six
No.
figures in taxes.
That's it.
Woo!
Oh, you ain't know? Look at this. Is like, yo, this is like, ain't no big on Wesley Snipe me. It's like
Nigga said, what?
likely.
Nigga said 6 figures in taxes.
I know it's depressing. I just realized it's December. I was like, damn.
I'm sorry. Oh, y'all pay 6 figures in taxes. I'm sorry for citizens don't, okay? Okay, I don't recognize the American tax code. I recognize maritime law. And once the awakening from Quinnan, D7 comes and Mueller and Trump break up Pizzagate, I don't have to pay any of these tax things.
Yo.
Now, if you excuse me, I'm moving to Montana.
Yo, and you just imagine you're like a yacht in the middle of the ocean and like international waters.
Can't touch me.
Like, yo.
And then every time they come, I'll just back up a little. Like,
You see that, you see that buoy right
International
there?
waters.
Can't cross that buoy. Can't cross that buoy.
Excuse me. I have my first captain talk to him, Bubbles. I got a monkey with a patch over his eye. He was with the wild gun, like, back up.
Bill's mopping the deck. He's like, Papi, you cannot come in this boat. No.
International
No,
waters.
no, Papi, you know. If it was Connecticut, it would be different. But no, this international water, Papi.
Oh, shit. I gotta go start mad shell organizations in Antigua and shit.
That's it. That's what I'm thinking now. Like, how am I going to finesse? Like, how do I do this?
Every time I see a stray dog, I'm just gonna make them a CEO of a smaller company. Just run all the money through there and shit. I'm like, this is my CEO of our Antigua division. His name is Barky McBarkson.
Yes.
He's like,
You may remember him from Air Bud. He used
we
to
all get busted for racketeering. There's like mad dogs in front of me. I'm like, yo, don't snitch, nigga.
Don't snitch,
Don't snitch. Niggas got a raw steak. Nigga like,
We're asking for an all white jury and shit. Like, can the jury be all white, please? And then the dog just go up there and be like, and then
I never snitched.
the foreman stands up. He's like, we've reached a verdict. Not guilty.
he's a good doggo.
He's a good doggo.
Dog's like, I ain't telling you shit. I ain't telling you. Fuck you.
Fuck y'all niggas,
Nigga
man.
start scratching behind his ear. He's like, Mero. You got mad social security numbers. Fucking pup. Bad dog.
You not a dog, you a rat.
I'm on the stand. Bad dog. Bad dog.
Hey, yo.
I was like, I got something coming for you. When the dog goes home, niggas, he gets home, there's like a vacuum cleaner when he first walks in and shit. You're like,
It's just mad kids in there playing whistles.
that's right. Any dog that snitches on us.
That's right. We're going to go to your crib with a fucking very high-pitched flute. Ruin your whole day.
Did you know emus can't walk backwards?
Wow. Oh, yeah, that's right, because their knees are like
No,
inverted.
they just can't walk backwards.
They just don't know how to do it?
They just don't walk backwards.
How the fuck is that? It bugs me out because emus can they can turn their head like almost completely around.
Okay. So like, they physiologically impossible, or if I Freaky Friday with an emu, more on that later.
This nigga's nasty.
Would I be able to walk backwards?
Could you give me another after you think? Would you what? If you what?
Like if I Freaky Friday with an emu and I'm just in an emu's body, would I be able to do it? Or is it
You have
I mean,
the-
'cause you'd be-
you
you
have the
just
mental
have-
capacity. of
You have the
Victor.
mental capacity to do it, but they just don't do it. So
Why would they? I mean, why would they walk backwards unless they said something wrong on Twitter and they needed to backpedal?
wow.
Hey,
Hey!
hit that snare.
So when we break up and Mero replaces Jay Leno, is Jay Leno still on?
hey guys,
Nah, he's just
No.
enjoying all his money.
You know what? A lot of people don't remember this. Like everyone thinks Jay Leno, like he was like a comedian, and that's like his big break was Cool Ranch Doritos.
yeah,
Really?
Do you remember he was
Yep.
the sponsor? He was when Cool Ranch Doritos
Back in the
first
day
came out.
when like the background was always black and had
Yep.
that look, that was him?
He was the first person. Like, he was the face of Cool Ranch fucking Doritos, which at the time was the most amazing thing America had ever. They were like, it's ranch, but it's cool.
yeah, and then they
Very legal. Totally cool.
totally cool, totally rad. And then they followed that up with Crystal Pepsi, my nigga. Beat that.
Yeah. Yeah, Jay Leno, man, in the Cool Ranch Doritos. Oh shit.
They're like,
We're here
can we-
on the floor of one of the busiest stock exchanges in the world. You know, it's almost time for lunch.
Damn, the 80s. See,
Yo.
that's why Coke and shit was really big in the 80s. Cause thank you. All the people that was popping in the 80s, like they weren't funny unless you were coked up.
yeah, you had to be cooked up.
Think about it, that shit was whack. But if you were coked up, you're oh shit.
Yo, Andrew Dice Clay.
Look at his chin.
That's Andrew Dice Clay was not funny, but he was clearly on a lot of cocaine. And I think that he developed that whole smoking a cigarette like this while he was coked up and thought it was hilarious, and then just made it a bit forever.
If you watch any of his stuff, like all the audience is coked up.
Oh yeah,
Everyone in the 80s was coked up.
You gotta be.
And then all the movies from the 80s, they only make sense if they're coked up. What was it, Splash? With Tom Hanks, where he fucks a mermaid.
Oh my god.
If you watch the movie, they just have sex for like the first 2 days. He just smashed her. He does not know her name or whatever. She leaves his apartment and like he goes picks her up from the police station and they have sex in the elevator and all this shit. And then like she's in the tub with like salt.
What
and
do you
washes
pipe a mermaid?
I don't know, but he was piping the shit out that mermaid. And then it was like the other movie that was really big was Mannequin with Kate Control, and she was a mannequin. Niggas was still fucking her, and then Jason Alexander tried to rape her.
Wow.
And then you had another movie which was Castaway, where basically Goldie Hawn or some shit fell overboard,
overboard.
where she fell overboard, got amnesia, and then like what's his name?
Kurt Russell.
Kurt Russell was just piping her.
Wow. Problematic.
Everything was problematic back in the 80s. But if you're
Oh yeah, nothing's problematic when you
wrong
coked up.
about it.
Yeah, no, of course.
You know what I'm saying? The very rare Alvin and the Chipmunks was like in their state, they were like dating women.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they were out there.
How you fucking chipmunk?
Yo, fam.
No, that.
There's a lot of weird shit. The Chipettes.
Oh, no, yeah.
Yeah, everyone assumes.
Nah, but didn't he have Chipmunk?
Everyone
a girlfriend?
assumes the chipmunks,
Chipettes.
chipettes,
Yeah,
were like the
chipmunks.
were like who they were fucking. But why do we assume that? How do you just because that's like saying like because a black person has to date a black person? We don't know that. Maybe that chipmunk was into other chipmunks.
True.
How do we know the chipmunks, the chipettes? Well, I can't pronounce the names.
Alvin was like,
What if they were lesbians?
true. That
The
could
tall
also-
one,
yeah,
maybe.
Yeah. What was the name? It was like something.
She was
like,
Simon's counterpart.
Yeah.
obviously.
See, you can't have counterparts like that because it doesn't work out like that. Because on Saved by the Bell, everyone had a counterpart except for Lisa.
Yeah.
She got Screech.
Yeah.
Come on.
How you give the baddest bitch on the show Screech?
You know, fucking Jesse Spano got Slater. He only had 2 pairs of pants, but that's neither
Come
here
on,
nor there.
and they're both
Kelly,
two bads.
yeah.
Yeah, Kelly Kapowski.
Kelly got Zach.
Come on.
And then the black girl had. Skid couldn't even give him a black guy.
Come on, bro.
Like the casting, I know the
Fam.
black guy had the same about. He was like, oh, Lisa's boyfriend? Shit, I got this. He had the Jerry curls and shit. He was
I'm like,
yeah.
yo, in my mind, Slater and Lisa were a better couple than fucking Jesse and Slater.
Yeah, well, you wanted Screech and Jesse?
That made more sense. They were both like mad into school and mad nerdy and like
Yeah.
whatever. You know what I'm saying? Slater was like a jock, and he was like a person of color.
Screech
And-
would have never done drugs like Jesse, though.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah, ever. Yeah, just now. Niggas just doing celebrity boxing matches and porno videos
Did
and
he
like
stab
watch
somebody?
shows. He did.
Dustin Diamond. He stabbed someone with like a sword knife. Yeah.
I mean, nigga's name is Dustin Diamond.
I mean, niggas get stabbed.
You're
every
either,
day.
you're either an actor or a wrestler, nigga. That's it.
Yeah.
Like you can't just be like Dustin Diamond, the accountant.
You could. You're just not a good accountant.
Ain't nobody coming to your shit. You're the one with the guy with the Statue of Liberty guy spinning the sign in front. Like,
He's coming back and be like, yo, I was looking over the tax form. Like, first of all, it's 2018. He's like, it was like a wild crate of white out. Like, here we go again.
Oh, God.
Oh,
man.
Oops, my bad. Oh, you're not deducting $500,000. Good thing we caught that.
Like, yo, get the fuck out of here. Lisa fell off, though, man.
Lisa, she has mental problems. Like
she does?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I just saw a picture of her with, like, mad plastic surgery. People were like,
no,
yo.
she has, like, mad makeup and stuff. She's, like, mental.
Yikes. Okay, never mind. You're a step.
Fourth week in a row. Because last week, you was all about them dead-eyed girls.
Oh, yeah, but, yo, that's hot.
That's not hot.
It is hot.
You can't like a cockeyed girl, Mero.
Yo, I think like some type of like small imperfection on an otherwise beautiful face is like kind of lit.
Wow.
Like if you got like
there's layers to that.
Like,
what's that about?
Kind of like a lazy eye or something.
What's
like
that?
a scar.
Let's unpack that. You need flawed beauty in order to appreciate it?
No, just like
is that the narcissist in you? Do you need to see something you can't look at perfection reflected back at you because it makes you nervous?
I mean,
the unfulfilled expectations
I'm just
of a
petty,
creator.
so if something's fucked up in her, I know she's not going anywhere. That's just me.
Also that, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, yo, your eye is floating, like, niggas ain't checking for you. But I love you, and I'm dedicated to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? Like,
so you like to scar the women you love. I just came up with that.
Nigga, you ain't gonna show them at me, nigga.
Today's guest is the Kid Mero. Kid Mero, you be beating on women.
What?
Welcome to the Breakfast Club.
I'm so glad that like I've never. This is gonna sound like much super duper common sense, but I'm so glad I have never touched a woman aggressively. I've never,
for Mero. Mero has never
like that's such a low bar, but it's like, fam, like. That's where we're at in 2018. Like, that's how low the bar is. It's like, yo, have you ever sexually assaulted a woman? No? You're a good person. Like, fam, like, it's deeper than that. Like,
I love this Oscar speech.
You know what I'm saying? Like, dog.
Everyone's like, yes, we stand a feminist icon. Yes.
No, I'm like, fam, like, you gotta go further than that, dog. Like, just coming up and be like, yo, I ain't never raped nobody. Where's my props? Like, fam, like, no.
He's like, yo.
That's not how it works. Like, what are you talking
like, yo,
about?
I never put my hands on a woman.
Yo, thank you for upholding societal norms.
I'm standing in the audience. I'm like,
that's right.
My
That's
man.
right, brother. That's my brother right there. That's right, brother.
Preach, brother.
Preach.
We need more men like him.
That's in the Steve Harvey book. Don't hit your girl.
It's a whole chapter.
It's a whole chapter.
But the whole chapter is very problematic. He's like, even though they'll push you to the limit, Lord, will they push you?
Whoa. You ever go home and get some fucked up greens and you just want to beat a bitch ass?
Just sand all in the spinach.
You know what I'm saying?
Get underneath your caps.
They ain't clean the shit right. You know what I'm saying? You ever eat some unclean chitlins?
You ever go home and your suits aren't pressed? Ooh. I used to go in the back and cut a switch down, but now.
You ever tell your girl, I need my blazer to have at least 58 buttons? And she come home with some
56?
12 buttons? Motherfucker. Boy. But listen.
Come home, your Family Feud royalty checks is missing?
Oh, God damn it. But you know what? Never lay a finger on it.
Never. When you get upset, you just go in your closet and you fold those suits up.
That's right.
Just fold them up.
That's right.
Or work on your mustache.
That's right. Or,
at least 500 strokes a day.
Or rub baby oil on your chest.
Over your chest.
And take pictures.
Speaking of rubbing baby oil on your chest, fuck you, Charles Barkley.
Yeah, you fucking coward. Nigga, why you always talking wild shit about the Knicks?
He always
you
taking shots at the Knicks.
Yo, let me tell you something, nigga.
Talk to him.
I'm gonna get hyped right now.
Talk to him.
Fuck you, nigga. If I see you in the streets, it's on sight.
Bars, motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? Put that money up, B. I got 10 racks. I'll wash you, you old motherfucker.
We talking about Oakley right now?
Charles Barkley.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Charles Barkley. I thought I heard Oakley. I was like, don't do that.
No. I don't want no smoke with Oakley at all.
Charles Barkley is like 10 racks, is it? It's like, nigga, I bet that if a cookie went in my mouth this morning. Like,
Nigga, nigga, you look like you got sleep apnea, nigga. Get the fuck out of here. You fucking Werthers.
Wow. Apologize to sleep apnea.
Yo, shout out to sleep apnea. All my niggas with sleep apnea. Shout out to my nigga Jimmy. He got the machine. He got the Bane mask. Shout out to you.
Do you have the soap cleansing mask? I see that advertised there.
Yeah, that's a flex. That's a flex.
I didn't know. Like you gotta clean. You gotta clean the tube.
You got the stuff. Yeah.
This shit get bacteria. Now you choking on like bacteria and shit.
No, I'm making the
that changes your relationship.
Yeah.
Because like for better or for worse, nigga, I gotta like fucking turn the machine on and like unkink a hose if you're choking at night.
You know what I'm saying? If you smash with a sleep apnea machine on, that's real love.
Wow, you could do that?
Really?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Is that like performance enhancing?
Yeah.
He's getting like
bro.
straight oxygen, right?
Straight oxygen, but you be out there like cranking it, like
All the ambulance chasing lawyers are outside, like, yo, he's about to blow her back out. We about to be rich.
I can't with y'all. You're doing a lot. You're doing a lot to this episode with sleep apneas and things. Wow.
Shout out to my pops who has sleep apnea. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the
Does it
big
run
man.
in your family?
I think so. I think I may end up with sleep apnea, but hey, I'm ready.
But you gotta get like the Wild Supreme sleep apnea machine.
Yeah, this shit gotta
the
be
Gucci hose?
Yeah, with the Gucci hose and the Louis fucking tank and shit, like Louis oxygen tank.
Nigga pouring pure Fiji water into the sleep apnea machine. We gotta make like a hood sleep apnea machine. Or it's just a hood nigga chilling on your bedside, like
Yo,
yo, nigga, you're not breathing.
Yo, wake up.
All right.
Yo, roll over, nigga.
Niggas just make bad noises like,
yo,
you choking, nigga. Yo.
Niggas put a blunt in your mouth.
Yo,
you good?
All right.
You got baby lungs, nigga. Go back to sleep.
Don't die, nigga.
You gotta wake up in like 3 hours, stupid.
All right. Clearly, we do not know how sleep apnea machine works.
We have no clue.
Also, don't use tap water in your neti pot so you can get amoebic dysentery.
That's right. I don't know if that's true, but it's true.
Don't you get amoebas in your brain? Yeah, that's what you don't want.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what. Oh, because isn't dysentery when you poop out your organs?
No. What is it? Amoebic, not dysentery, amoebic. This is something, but with the thing in your brain.
bro.
Also, you get that from if you just jump in random lakes in Florida.
New
Don't do
Orleans
it
as well.
Some places in the Caribbean. And you know, amoebas, they don't need anyone to have sex with. They just keep dividing.
They just keep
and dividing and dividing, and then they take over your brain like Puerto Ricans did projects in the 80s. Okay, sorry.
All right, calm down, Nana. Calm
I like
down.
to apologize. It used to be a nice neighborhood. What I'm saying, you know, Grand Concourse. It was designed to look like that street in France, and now look, everywhere you go, it's an American flag with one fucking star. Okay,
what's up with all these Captain America flags?
Jesus M. Christ! See one more coquille frog, I'm gonna schmutz.
Fucking Desus Piro over here.
Fordham Road used to be a nice place. I used to go get the tomatoes there.
It was nice.
Now all I can buy now is freestyle CDs and fucking Coogee sweaters.
And fucking checkers. What's going on here? I want a patalito.
I remember you used to speak English on the BX41.
No.
I'm surprised I'm not paying pesos.
Sam, you're lucky if the bus drivers speak English on a BX41.
Even the sign don't even be in English. It'd be like Vamonos, Fordham Plaza. I'm like, y'all niggas going east or west.
Is this limited?
My biggest fear now is like every now and then I'll like hop on the bus to like, cause you know like you'll be in your neighborhood. It's like there's a bodega like 3 blocks away. And
You're like, I ain't walking. Oh, the bus right there? All right, I'm getting on this shit.
But I'm never sure how much money's on my Metro card because I know it's either $80 or zero. There's no in between.
No.
And I'm like, damn, what if I get on this shit and I have no money?
And you do
some teenager in the back of the roast be like, boy,
this
get your broke ass off the bus.
Yo, this nigga on Showtime, he's wild.
This nigga got no money.
Yo, this nigga pop. Yo, Jamel, yo, Julio, yo, this nigga's wild pop. Yo, this is Showtime nigga.
Niggas
yo, what's your name?
Jesus.
Yo, this nigga's wild fucking pop.
Niggas have me on the camera like,
yo, that's crazy.
Yo, come here with pop can.
Yo,
not the artist, but for broke niggas.
This nigga's pop.
Niggas lower the bus to drop me off. Like,
the kneeling bus and shit, and make you kneel outside the bus and shit. Like, yo, this nigga's broke, nigga. Then they start looking for me and shit like, yo, where's Mero? Yo, the niggas opening doors at fucking Bagel Cafe, Bay Plaza. That nigga's pop too.
I feel bad about those people opening the door because it's like, all right, if you're opening the door, you're fucked up enough in life that this is what you do for them. But what exactly is the transactional value of you opening the door? Something I could have done for myself, and now you have encumbered me from opening the door myself for free $3.99.
Yeah.
So now you're holding me hostage.
Yeah.
Because I didn't give you money going in, but you know I spent money.
It's
so
like,
there's a possibility I have change. And so now, and then like I'm trying to put the change in my pocket. And I see you looking through the window, like, damn, this nigga broke a 20.
Yeah.
So now
they watch you. They watch you. If you go to the little Debbie rack with a $5 bill, they hawking you like, this nigga got at least $1.
If you go to the little Debbie rack with a $5 bill, you're just showing off.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
You just want to say that out
begging
loud.
for that home invasion.
Okay. Yeah.
You just pick up the whole rack and walk out with the shit. Like,
Damn. There's just a guy at my local Popeyes, and he be looking kind of fresh. Like, he be having, like, newer sneakers, and I'm like, what's the angle here? You can't make that much money holding the door open.
I don't know.
Especially in my cheap-ass Jamaica neighborhood. They're
You know
like,
what I'm saying?
nah.
Like, nah, I don't know about you, B.
Try to hold it my own self.
There's a dude at the fucking Burger King drive-thru by my crib that, like, every time I go there, he's just, like, there, like, standing there, like, asking niggas for change. And, like, it got to a point where it was, like, getting brick. And I felt bad, and I was just like, you know, we got, like, clothes, niggas send the shit, whatever. So I'm like, you getting all this Under Armour, nigga, like.
Did he appreciate it?
Yeah, he was like, yo, thank you, whatever. But then I'm like, then I see the nigga like 2 days later wearing none of the shit that I gave him.
Nigga put all that shit on Poshmark.
Like some fresh, like, you know, like a North Face, like Gore Windstopper. I'm like, yo, my man. I'm like, you just finesse the shit out of me? I was like, I don't even look at that nigga like.
See, that's the problem. All it takes is one person to finesse you when you're giving out shit, and then you're like, never
again. Now all you niggas is getting these Nature Valley granola bars. Fuck out of here.
Get old mozzarella sticks from when we worked at the other place.
I just open up the console of my car, whatever's in there, I give it to him.
Yeah,
Here's this eyeglass repair kit, nigga.
Here's some hummus, nigga, and a tire pressure gauze. Happy Hanukkah. Here's a hammer, so if the car gets stuck in water, you can smash out the window. Which actually is very hard, I imagine. I don't know. That's one of those things you don't find out until like you're underwater.
That's like some Mythbuster shit.
No,
Like,
that's why they use the little pointed metal thing. You just. Put
But
it right
I mean,
in the
do you
corner
who keeps one of those? Do you have one of those in your car?
like ice pick?
Like a pointed metal thing to smash the window if there's
Like
water
a
pressure on
screwdriver?
it.
You drove your car in a body of water that big. Death was coming for you eventually.
Yeah.
Anyway, just let it take over.
You know what? A lot of times people they try too hard to live. Yeah. Like sometimes you just gotta. Sometimes life is just the end of a Curb Your Enthusiasm episode. You gotta be
That's
like,
it. You're like, fuck it.
Like your car's going down like a fish roast you like, boy.
I'm just like, yo, fuck it.
Larry, you drove us into a lake.
Play Siri, play Playboy Cardi, Die Lit.
Oh
It's coming
shit.
up like,
It's like, oh.
But yeah, nah, like what, like how are you supposed to escape that? You break the window because
I mean, you
the
can't
water
open the
pressure,
door.
because of water pressure.
The water
right.
pressure.
So
And
you
then
gotta
if-
smash the window?
And then, like, if you were with the old cars, you could roll down the window, but that would make the car flip because the water was
Right,
coming
we're
in
rushing.
inside.
Yeah.
So.
You unbuckle, go to the back because the engine's in the front.
Right.
If you're broke.
Right.
And then
If you broke, true. Facts. Ritz, talk that shit. Talk that shit.
as the air bubble vanishes from there, it's likely going to be polluted with a ton of exhaust. But you take your last breath, pressure's equalized in the front. You take the metal bar that's pointed at the end, you shatter the window, and then you swim. But then, oh yeah, you forgot. You don't know how to swim, and you're fully clothed. You're dead.
You dead. You
You're
dead.
dead. Shout out to calmly remembering to do all that.
Exactly.
While everyone in the car is screaming, "Oh my fucking God, we're underwater! We're gonna fucking die!
We're fucking die!
Is that the starfish?
Unstrap the baby! Unstrap the baby!
Death is just doing the Judge Judy meme, like,
Hurry up, niggas!
Come on! I got some other motherfuckers to kill. Let's go. Let's speed it up. Come on.
die every day.
You're tough, right? You drown. Motherfuckers drown every day.
Hurry up! I gotta go see the guy from Viacom. Let's go.
What the fuck is going on? Oh, shit. Is that nigga still alive?
He is.
Wow.
It quotes.
It goes, yo, I cannot believe that. Yo,
There's
that-
definitely a machine in his room going.
yeah. And it's giving him toppy.
yo, he does love top.
He does the
Yo.
top. Niggas put a wild steak and a NutriBullet like. He's
Yo.
like, it's good red meat. Steak and a blowjob. Best way to start the day.
Hey, let me ask you something. Do you have 20 years of impacted red meat in your colon? I bet
do.
you don't.
I do. He takes a shit. It smells like when you first enter Jersey. Like, oh wow.
Yo, what is that? What the fuck?
You're like, oh, roll up all the windows,
Yo.
turn it to circulation only.
Yo, chill. I'm like, yo, is that a Chris Christie fart? Nigga?
Oh,
Like,
my
yo,
God.
What the fuck?
You're like, yo, is that bear repellent? My eyes are burning.
Chris Christie got kicked out of office and now he's just farting all over the bridge and shit.
Gabagool.
Eating heroes at the expressway, like, hold that.
Yo,
starts
he
his
really
day.
killed somebody by shutting down the bridge. Everybody, like, He just got a pass on
Yeah.
that.
I mean,
Yo, he did. Yo, he really thought he was Tony Soprano. Like, I think he thought, like, he watched like Sopranos and was like, yeah, I can do that.
I could do that.
I can do that shit.
Christy.
Yeah, I should down the beach and just rock by myself, dolo on a public beach. Like, yeah, that's like fucking Ruben Diaz shutting down Orchard Beach and just having a party there dolo by himself.
No, it would be like, no, not even close. It would be like Ruben Diaz shutting down the Bronx River Parkway to Sunday. Right? He's just out there with no shirt on, like,
Oh, you need to go somewhere?
not happening.
No, listen, sorry, I gotta get a little more
Gotta take a local
trigueñito out here.
Oh, man.
Oh man, could you imagine dying in an ambulance and they're just looking at you like traffic?
Yo, Ruben Diaz, man. Like,
Only but so much it could do for you.
like, yo,
Yeah.
he's trying to get.
Imagine you with the ambulance, they're like, you hear the wage voices like, you 15 minutes in traffic. You're like,
What? It's like, Ruben Diaz getting melanated. Reported ahead.
Yo, shit.
Oh shit! Damn.
reported by
fuck.
reported by 75 wage users. Damn, nigga. And then ambulances, when you're driving, you get out the way of an ambulance. She's like, damn, they might have someone in the back. They gotta get there, and then you'll see it's empty. You're like,
Yeah. Oh, you better than me because I'm following that nigga.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, I'm being traffic. I'm
on
like,
the back of that shit. That's a nice ticket, though.
hell yeah.
See those tickets that.
Oh, worth getting? And the tickets that like,
Well, for example, in New York, we don't have that stupid pullover law where if like if an emergency vehicle pulls over or is stopped in lane, you're supposed to like pull over to like the next lane, like the furthest lane when you pass or some bullshit like
yeah,
that.
no, you're supposed
They
to
have
get
it,
out of the
like-
way.
Huh?
You just get out of the way. Is the rule here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, you get like big trouble in like other states for that.
Yikes.
So
Yeah.
see, those are the laws that when you leave New York, you get in trouble for. You're like, whoa, what the fuck?
I didn't know I could do that. Yo,
Whoa,
fam.
what the fuck? I can't turn right on red. Whoa, what the fuck is that?
No, yo, it was dead ass. I got in to at least almost 10 road rage incidents in like the first 2 months in Jersey because I didn't know about right on red. Like New York City, there's no right on red anywhere. Like anywhere.
The only time you can turn right on red in New York is at 4 a.m. when you're drunk.
Yeah, that's a fact.
That's it. Saturday night 4 a.m. There's totally different traffic laws.
Fam, you can do left on red, donut on red.
You say shit like this. You be like, I'm drunk. Let me turn off my headlights so I don't call anybody. Niggas just blazing up the major D. You're like, this should look like Rad Racer.
Yo,
No, don't drive drunk. This girl, it was on Twitter. She drove with her friend. She drove drunk with her friends. She killed 3 of her friends and 2 people in the other car. And she got 30 years.
Wow.
But she was going like mad fast backwards down some street or some shit like
Yikes.
that. So listen, take an Uber.
Fam, leave your whip and take an Uber, dog.
Why you even like? Where would you go with your car anyway? You was going to a bar. You drove to a bar.
Like,
What was the end game there?
like you knew what was gonna
You knew what
happen.
it was. You
like,
knew what
come
it
on.
was when you signed
Signed
up.
You
Come
know what I'm
on.
saying? Like I remember very fondly and vividly when we did that yacht party, and I was like, I'm gonna just smoke. Like I'm not gonna drink too much. I'm not gonna be.
Remember, we work for CBS.
This nigga admitted crime.
No. And like, yo, honestly, I was like, yo, it got to a point, like, like, hand to God. First time I ever did this in my life, I was like, yo, my nigga, here, you drive. I was like, I can't even see my eyes. Nigga, like, yo, you got to drive us to the roach coach.
I was responsible though, because remember at every red light, I was like tapping the brakes. I was like, damn, you got good brakes.
You
nigga.
got the brakes.
I was blown away by how good his brakes were.
I remember Mero was a great co-captain. He would say skirt every time.
I was like, wow,
Great
these brakes are
co-pilot.
fantastic.
Phenomenal. Ad-libbing.
I just stopped at a
Really
red light.
bring
I
up
was
the
like, yo,
energy.
we went Meineke? This shit is amazing.
Was it Midas or Meineke?
wow. I don't
Damn,
know.
I gotta go there.
Like just stop at a red light, take a flashlight. I'm like, oh, are those new pads?
Wow. Oh, you got the alternate colors? Oh,
this.
yo,
This
he's
is
doing it.
fantastic.
Oh, shit.
Oh man,
Yeah, that was a fucking night.
it was a night.
Shout out to Clarence.
Remember?
Yo, shout out to Clarence. Big up Clarence.
Oh, it's big times.
You know what I'm saying?
Big things going on.
Yo.
Oh,
The
so let's
number
see.
one party promoter in the world. You know what I'm saying? Clarence Foster, the great hustler. Harlem, stand up. I don't know why I did that
Shit
in
in
like
here,
the
man.
Wild Act 3 voice.
We gotta start doing this naked, like we're bagging up coke.
Yeah. With just the mask on and shit. The Wild Semi.
Semi.
Nigga, when I backed up, I got a semi. I'm sorry. I was like, woo,
Nigga, I had
about
the
to
full
cake
chub.
off. Woo.
Had the full chub.
If I saw that, I'd be like, am I doing something wrong? Is it me?
Gotta put a brick in your foreskin. That's how a sovereign citizens move. Fuck you, IRS. I ain't pay no taxes. They're like, you can't pay. I put all my money in Bitcoin. Like, what are you gonna do now?
What are you gonna do now? You don't even know how to do that.
I feel stupid.
They turn on the Nintendo Switch like, I don't know. How do we get to this?
Bitcoin dropped 10,000.
Fuck. Shit.
How is Bitcoin doing these days?
Very bad.
Bitcoin had the Jeremy Lin wave, B.
Really?
I'm telling you, the nigga shit was.
Bitcoin right now.
Where's it at?
What's we at right now? Is at 3,000?
And
Okay.
at its peak, it was at like 10?
10, right?
10.
It
11?
never made it to 10.
Never made it to
Almost.
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 Okay.
All
Almost.
right.
A lot of people lost a lot
As
of money.
Knicks fans, we are very familiar with that term.
Familiar.
Yeah.
Familiar, you know what I'm saying? It's going down.
bruh.
But you know,
what? I mean, in the future, like, that's the future. Like, niggas ain't using paper money in the future unless you're, like, doing wild, like,
Well, that's because-
unless they bring Backpage back.
no, it's gonna be just because only rich people are gonna have money. Like, it's gonna get to the point like poor people
Don't have paper money?
In the future. Rich people are gonna set up towns because of climate change and shit. You see how like all the towns are burning down in Florida and California.
yeah.
So they're gonna make private communities.
Why
that
don't they
have,
just go out there and rake?
They're gonna have private communities where they have private firefighter services, and they're gonna have huge fireproof walls to keep the fires out of these gated communities. But poor people are not gonna have money for shit like that, so they're gonna have to live outside
shit.
the walls, and it's gonna be like some very sad PG-13 teen movie about werewolves or some shit called
Menace to
City
Society.
Runner or some shit like that. It's like,
Menace to Society 3.
it's like one spunky-haired girl with like a bow and arrow has to escape a maze or some shit.
Oh, God.
I'm bringing the pheasant for my people. It's like, what is this shit?
I have the ice arrow to put out the wildfire. Like, what?
Destroy her. There's someone watching all these monitors like, destroy her.
her. She must be destroyed. It's Jeremy Irons.
No, I was thinking more Ed Harris from Truman Show.
We saw Ed Harris yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We had to Google
That's what
him.
that was? Yeah.
Yeah, it was like, yo, this thing
Nah,
is
he's
in
a
everything.
legend.
Who is
He's
this
a
guy?
legend. Yeah,
But then
he's
we
a
had to
legend.
Google it.
I was like, Ed Harris. Because that sounds like a very black name. He sounds like a former.
Yeah, I thought it was like Wood Harris's brother or some shit.
Exactly.
He has news about your carburetor.
Also, how dare you say Ed Harris from Truman Show, where his greatest movie ever was RoboCop. RoboCop.
Was he RoboCop?
He was RoboCop.
Oh, shit. I didn't know that.
Yes. Remember when RoboCop was a fucked up movie.
Yo, fam. Remember when he made the
Completely
meatballs
fucked up.
out of his leg?
Yeah.
I was like, ew. I was like, in my child mind, I was
And
like,
they were
did he
running
just
around
serve
there. I
him
was like, I'll
scrotum?
buy that for $1.
Like-
Can we do? We got to do a remake. We always trying to do remakes. That's not gonna happen. We'll do it on Showtime. We get killed and we come back as RoboCops.
RoboCops.
Hip hop RoboCops.
RoboCops.
We got like boom boxes on us. Go Mero, go Mero, get funky,
Yo, give me the aux cord.
get funky. Turn this mother
Out, raise the roof, raise the roof.
Listen, kids. We go to school. Kids are charging their phones off of us. We're like, yes, we help the community.
Yo, we love Bodega Boys, love the kids.
We love it.
We have USB, we have 5-pin, we have iPhone, whatever charger you need.
Did you pay for Wi-Fi when you were on the flight?
I did.
Oh,
I did.
You got to at this point, right?
Yeah, I'm like, yo, 6-hour flight, B. What the fuck am I finna do?
What I'm supposed to do? Read? Or try to sleep and be alone with my thoughts? No, thank you.
Listen, when you do clownery,
Listen, if you can connect to Wi-Fi on a plane, you low-key are one of the smartest people in the world. Because that shit is not... You would think it's simple enough to just, like, find the drop-down menu? No.
Fam, no.
You got, like... You got to turn Mr. Robot. You got to order, like, Wi-Fi codes,
like,
LAN numbers,
they got a code, and then they
subnets.
put the shit on airplane mode, and then turn off cellular, but then keep on the Bluetooth because you got the Bluetooth headphones.
Here's my question: how did whatever? How did they become?
How did they monopolize?
How did they become the one person to have Wi-Fi in planes?
Like,
What's
what
to stop
fuck?
me from coming on the plane with a wild, like, tower computer and a Linksys router and setting up my own shit in the back?
Yeah.
I think that's how they have Wi-Fi on South. I think
Southwest.
Wi-Fi on Southwest is they just give you Post-it notes. So they're like, "Well, when you land, we'll tweet these for
We'll
you."
tweet these for you. Here's drafts. Would you like some water and some draft paper?
Oh, Southwest got dollar Wi-Fi.
Just want some Amtrak.
Amtrak Wi-Fi is just like, nigga, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Just go to sleep.
I know we say we got Wi-Fi, but it's
All right,
like,
just go to sleep. Look
come
at
on,
the
man.
train barely work.
come on, B.
You doing a lot. But you was gonna send a document?
Oh, you thought you was gonna have Wi-Fi? Did you smell the bathroom?
You thought, nigga. Enjoy last week's New York Post. It's on the seat next to you.
Speaking of mass transit, shout out to your man who ran 23 fucking blocks
For the
to
bus.
chase a bus, and then the bus driver just. First of all, I was like, I was kind of like disheartened because I'm like, New York City bus drivers are usually like hood dudes for the most part. And I was expecting the homie to jump out the bus and just wash this like obvious transplant.
No point to doing that
You know what I'm
because
saying?
it's a felony to attack a bus driver. He was in the safety of the bus, and the guy was gonna get arrested anyway. So just sit there and take. And also, it's not his bus.
It's not my bus.
That used to be the problem. There was no protection for bus drivers, so they would take it personally if you like threw pennies in their face. Not saying I ever did, but you know they got in their little bag about shit like that, and then they chase you over the small walls of Baychester projects. But those days have come and gone.
Listen.
And now niggas got the union. First of all, like a bus driver pension, you're good for life. You get yourself a nice 3-family house out in Queens. You rent out 2 stories from the shit. You have your West Indian wife that she's still, very supple looking. You're no longer in the same bed with her, but she gets turned on when you tell her how much money you're making off the mortgage. Good things.
She's like, yo, I'm working overtime. It's holiday pay, baby.
You guys don't have sex anymore, but she asked about he's a good husband. He's a provider.
He's a provider.
Good man.
He's good. All
right.
He's a good man.
She gives you shit because you go out Saturday night to play dominoes. She said you're going out to see other women. You can't even get it up no more. You're not doing that. Just a good life.
Yo.
That's me and Vashti's alternate life.
Alternate life.
She's a nurse.
She
I'm working sanitation, but I threw up my back, so I don't want workers' comp. But the insurance is watching me, so I have to constantly walk around with crutches until my claim goes through.
Like, yo, chill. Like,
we still be at Red Lobster turning up.
Yo, with 2 air casts on and shit. Like, yo, doing a 2-step.
I crack a lobster leg and like, my back. I look around and dip it in butter. Yeah.
Yo, give me
Check
extra
soon
butter.
come.
Yo, shout out to sanitation because if you get on B, you on.
All those union jobs, you get on.
Woof.
You know what? Not for nothing. Correction officer, a lot of people,
Fam.
that's a good job. I can't get mad at Rick Ross for that. You get some benefits. You can retire early. You get to come home from jail.
Fam, if you, I used to tell kids when I was working in school, I was like, yo, fam, if you don't, see it for yourself doing this or that, you could get a civil service job and do fine. Be you don't gotta be you know what I'm saying? I know this sounds like probably bad advice, but most teachers are mad unrealistic and they're aim for the stars. You could be the next president. It's nah, my nigga. I'm here to give you a dose of reality.
Don't aim for the stars. Aim for something lower. Aim for the roof of the first floor.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Yo, fam.
Think about it. Think about the jobs you see. You could go into VCR repair, gun repair.
You know what I'm saying?
What else did they advertise? Stenographer. You could be a phlebotomist.
Phlebotomist. You know what I'm saying?
You could do medical billing.
Medical billing in only 6 months.
Okay. What else advertises?
Shit.
Go to Catherine Gibbs.
You know what I
mean? Take typewritering. Keyboarding. All they're these jobs no longer. You can be a travel agent.
You said typewriter.
There's so many jobs you could do.
Yo, fam, I want to bring up one of those other commercials because there's at least 15 jobs that do not exist anymore.
Oh shit!
Horsehair comber, some wild shit, Oregon Trail programmer.
Oh man. Oh, you remember it was Sally Struthers.
Yes. Oh my
If you
God.
have the right skills. To get those skills, you really need to train on the right kind of equipment. That's what the people here at ICS believe. They're the experts in at-home career training. Take a field like computers. You'd need a PC to learn on, right?
Right.
This is what you get when you take the ICS
Damn.
PC specialist course.
These gave you a sound blaster.
Counting. All this delivered right to your doorstep. Just call this toll-free number for a free brochure that gives you all the
This nigga in
facts.
jail that still has
Choose
that
from
number
any one of
memorized.
these programs.
Hell
High
yeah.
school
This was get out, I'm
TV,
calling
VCR
it.
repair,
High
computer
school, TV,
programming,
VCR repair,
electrician,
computer program,
animal care
electrician, animal care specialist, auto mechanics, PC repair, bookkeeping, legal assistant, medical office building, hotel restaurant management, learning the PC, electronics.
Computer,
I
electronics,
guess you're supposed to
specialize.
It just says electronics.
Electrician and electronics. I was like, fam.
Oh man.
Fam, let me tell you something. If you got a 6-month certificate,
Any of those?
and you coming to do
So
the
we're going to
wiring in
jail
my
for
house,
those.
you are going to jail. Period.
Nigga like, yo, I know you like to sing in your shower, so I put an electrical outlet right there.
So you can plug in your shit.
Yo.
My God.
Oh man. Gun repair. If you only went to school for 6 months, you should be repairing guns.
No.
Call me crazy. Probably back term. I don't want you working on the AR-16 with my kids in the next room.
Fam, there's 30 parts to this
Nigga
shit.
like, all right, step
Okay,
two.
step 2. Nigga just smoked half the family. Like, oh shit.
Safety on.
Oh.
You see, like the safety squirrel, like, what's the safety on? He was like, should have learned.
Damn, you're in class and shit in lab. You just shoot half the lab up and shit. Like, oh my bad.
Mero, what did I tell you about the safety?
I'm sorry. Step one. I'm sorry, but hey, I'm learning. I'm learning.
Well,
I'm learning.
we're glad you're learning.
Thank you,
glad you're learning.
Thank you, Sally. Imagine Sally showing this to all those classes.
In her house and shit. She just comes downstairs with like a fucking glass of coffee, like, yo.
And then she got starving kids in the back too. Like, yo, chill, yo. Y'all work on that. I'm gonna work on this commercial.
Work on these kids in the back that's starving. Sup? Is Sally still alive, right?
I think so.
You gotta check nowadays.
Yeah, for real.
Damn, you gotta have like the wow. Are they still alive? And what's their net worth? Like fucking. Yeah, she's still here.
All right.
She's only 5'1".
She's not MAGA?
She probably is. I don't know.
I would expect her to be MAGA.
No, she's an activist. She's
okay.
Like,
shout out to her.
She's an activist. She was in Gilmore Girls. Okay.
Oh shit.
All right. Okay, just making sure. You never know. You never know nowadays because people are either dead, they got the wild sex charges, they're MAGA, they're Scientology.
Yeah, you don't want to Tyrese yourself out here.
Out here drinking pee, following the lunar cycles.
Damn, that's like the wild. That's like, is that the lineup for the Goop?
Yeah,
the Goop Con.
What's her name? Who's the lady that invented Goop?
Gwyneth Paltrow. Yeah.
She said that. Oh, I gotta read this verbatim because this is the most Caucastic shit ever. This is some shit I would have tweeted about like back in like 2010 or some shit.
I can't wait.
This is all right. Where is it? Where is this? Forgive me if this comes out wrong, Paltrow continues, but I went to do a yoga class in LA recently and the 22-year-old girl behind the counter was like, have you ever done yoga before? And I literally turned to my friend and I was like, you have this job because I've done yoga before.
Wow.
Dude.
Shots fired. Yo.
Gwyneth Paltrow was like, I made the Yankee hat more famous than the Yankees hat.
Yo, god damn.
That is unmitigated. Like, all the Hindu people are like, yo, you dead ass nigga?
Yo, nigga.
All the gods with mad arms and shit like,
with the Goop. Nigga, like. They all put their 8 arms up. I was like, yo, whose mans? Whose mans is this?
Boy.
This man almost arms like, boy. Yo,
what's her name got married this week?
Shut the Vishnu. Oh yeah, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. Yeah, shout to them.
Shout to them. They had this wild over the top wedding.
Yeah,
like I didn't know she was like rich as shit though.
Yo, she's
rich and like
she's dumb rich. She was like British. She was like on British TV before American TV, no? Or
Bollywood.
Bollywood shit. Yeah.
Damn, Nick Jonas. People was like that she was taking advantage of Nick Jonas, but she's like.
Nigga, I'm on broadcast TV like I'm caking.
Oh, she got 28 mil? Okay. All right, okay. And what's Nick Jonas? What do you think Nick Jonas is bringing in?
Which one of them is the one that is in the group that's like, cake by the ocean? Is that Joe or Nick? I don't even know. I don't know.
You are asking the wrong person. I don't know that shit. Oh, 25 mil. Okay.
All right.
They're pretty even.
Okay.
But that 3 mil gonna come in candy in a fight though.
Yeah.
You gotta let people know what they bring to the table.
Nick,
what's up?
You left the toilet seat up again.
I just forgot. You know what I'm saying? We just moved in. You know what I'm saying?
You know how cold it is on my ass when I sit on the toilet seat?
You know, that's cool. I'll put it down next time.
Let me remind you that I am the provider and the breadwinner in this family.
Nah, we make about the same amount.
Nah, I make $3 million more than you a year, my nigga.
Damn.
$3 million.
Okay.
All right? So calm the fuck down. And next time you go to the fucking bathroom, you sit down to pee. You understand me? You sit the fuck down to pee, and you don't move that toilet seat. You understand me? Keep that shit warm for me.
Yes, Priyanka.
All right. Bet.
Shout out to you not doing a very problematic accent.
Yeah, no.
For Priyanka.
No.
But still making her say the N-word.
To Nick Jonas of all people.
To Nick Jonas. It's like, damn, she got me under pressure. Yeah, 20... I mean, listen, that's good. That 3 mil makes a difference, but you know that's close enough. That's close enough that they both realize where they're coming from, and they're not spending mad reckless. Like you do get it. You gotta have that little balance there. Like, yo,
You know what
you gotta
I'm
know what shit worth. You can't have one person in a relationship like, yo, how much is a gallon of milk? 100,000?
Yeah, and then the other one's like, yo, fam, I just literally just came from Stop and Shop.
Yeah, come on, man.
Like, get it together.
Here's 4 Bitcoins. Get some cheese.
Yeah, call Seamless. I got Bitcoins on Decky.
Seamless. Seamless is sick of me.
Oh, man.
Because they're like, you just wasted the time. They're like, you're not going to go pick that shit up, nigga. Because I'm like, people deliver near me. They're like, oh, 6 places. Like, one is a bodega. I'm like, places available for pickup. They're like, yo, there's this spot down by Ground Zero. I'm like, nigga, why would I go 20 miles to go get food? It is 10. Also, shout Seamless be playing because they be like, yo, you got 4 minutes to order. Place closer to 4 minutes.
Then you scrambling like you're like, you look at the favorites. You don't fuck with any of the favorites. You're like, categories. Like,
my favorite Robin spot. I don't know what's going on with Seamless, but they was like, yo, kitchen's closing in 10 minutes. So I was like, the fuck? This place closes at midnight. And I was like, they must have changed some shit. So I'm like putting the mad order in, and they was like, oh, no more deliveries. And I was like, fuck. So I had to go take a cab to go pick it up. And when I walked in, I was like, wow. I was like, what happened? They was like, nah, we just don't like delivering shit after a certain time. So we just lying to niggas. I was like, nigga, I can't order away for this shit. Give me my sodium.
Give my motherfucking sodium. Dog, I ordered food from a Dominican spot in Patterson that was listed on Seamless as having delivery. So then, like an hour and a half, 2 hours later, I'm like, yo, the food still ain't here. Like, this is way past the estimated time of arrival. So I go to the spot, and it's a hole in the wall, and the homie's like, oh, yo, you know what it is, though? I get the order here, you know what I'm saying? But then I send it to the other restaurant that's across town. You feel me? And, like, I forgot to send it, though. My bad. I'm like, yo, are you fucking serious? Nigga, I was about to rip the Patelito warmer out the fucking counter and shit. Like, yo, y'all violated me, B.
No.
Seamless be lying. Your Seamless is a lie.
And then shout out to Seamless, places on Seamless that put as a menu option, like, yo, we don't get out the car. Excuse me? Oh, that might just be a Bronx thing. But it was like, yo, because of parking, we don't get out the car. I was like, no, there's plenty of parking in front of my... Like, by parking, I don't feel like getting out the fucking car.
Nigga. So come
your man dead ass came to our house to drop off Seamless, and he was definitely with his girl. So now it's just like, he reaching the bag over her. She got the little attitude, because I guess she thought they were going out somewhere. I'm like, yo. She's like, why we can't... Like, he probably took her to the restaurant, thinking they were going to go eat food, and he just picked up the food and bounced.
She in the group chat like, this nigga really took me to Empanada Mama to pick up a Seamless order. I thought we was about to eat.
Yeah, but I came out the building,
my God.
and I'm looking, and I see, like, okay, there's one car there with one guy in it, and then there's a car with 2 people, and it's like a fucking Honda CRX.
Yeah,
So I'm like, all right, that's not my fucking Seamless.
Yeah.
And I go to, and the guy's like, no, I'm an Uber, da, da, da. And I'm like, okay, that's not them. This must be somewhere else. And he calls like, yo, I'm right here, flashing the lights. And I look, and the car has like the little fire extinguisher, because they had nitro and shit, like, shit. And I'm like, oh, shit.
You go to pick up the food, nigga goes,
yeah, let's go to the car. I was like, oh, there's no fries? He's like, nah, they ain't delivering no fries. I'm like, but why are you and Shorty eating fries? Why does the car smell like fries?
Why is the fries in your lap?
Why is it dipping sauce? He's like, you gotta call Seamless, dog.
Yo, call Seamless customer support. I ain't got nothing to do with that.
The problem with Seamless, like, you put the tip in before. Whoa. You they ask you for the tip before you order the food. They used to do it afterwards, because sometimes I'll be feeling benevolent and I'll be like, you're 30%. And that was not a 30% delivery.
Nah.
The only person that gets 30%, there's like a Jamaican guy that comes in my building. He's be mad high. He always has sunglasses on and headphones. And he just knock on the door, and then he just give you the food and nod, and he never says nothing. It just walks off. That's all I want.
Yeah.
I don't want all the interactions.
My Seamless guy, my typical Seamless guy, because I always order from the diner, is fucking this old, like, Spinal Tap looking motherfucker.
Yeah.
With like a wild, like, who's that guy from 30 Rock with the wild trucker hat? Like, he just looks.
Oh, the comedian.
Yeah. He
Josh
looks
or things
just like that dude. Fam, every time. Thanks, bro. Because I was tipped like 20-something%, and my man be there early. He's like, dude, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate the tip, bro. I'm like, yeah, go ahead. Get your dusty ass back in your camera and go back.
Are you ordering stuff off the diner menu that they don't normally make? You digging deep? You getting gyros and shit?
Oh, yeah. I'm getting fucking... Yo, I'm getting...
This nigga get calamari in Central Jersey.
I'm getting Pete's favorite sandwich or whatever.
I made this when I got clean. After Bon Jovi, 86. There's a pickle, a little herring juice, and a horseradish. Yeah.
I'll be high too when I'm on Seamus. I'm like, yo, let me get the jalapeno poppers. Let me get French toast, Oreo pancakes, a triple cheeseburger, chicken sandwich, chicken fingers. Motherfuckers, like, yo, is this for later or this is for now. This is for now.
Nah, my neighborhood seamless officers are kind of like trash.
Limited.
Very
Yo, Kennedy Fried started doing seamless. Bro.
I know, and they shouldn't. They should. I had Kennedy the other night, and I was like, wow, 90% of the ingredients in the crust of this chicken is salt. Like this, like nigga, my hands were burning from pulling the skin off the salt.
Man,
like
the fucked up shit is that I used to love that shit as a kid. Like I would order Kills breast and just rip the skin off
and just eat the skin
first.
Now, that shit you like, God damn, this is a year's worth of sodium.
Your heart just jump out your chest and smack you in the face. Like, yo,
what are you doing,
B?
You gotta go to cardiac arrest. Period. Nah, man. Like you can't. Like trying to eat healthy is like
nah, B.
Ain't nothing. There's nothing healthy at Crown Fried Chicken.
No,
sorry.
No.
Even like they deep fry the fucking salads, man.
Like, yo, if you ordering a salad from Kennedy Fried, you live in foul. Be like, come on.
They're like, yo, you want a salad with a burger on it? It's like, no,
no.
I just want the salad.
Just get the greens.
Oh, okay. You'll take the salad, like just take the old MSG in the back and put it on top. Drizzle it. Make that shit a vinaigrette.
Yeah. Nigga put the Italian burger. All the hood niggas know about the Italian burger. Just throw the Italian burger on top of the fucking.
The Italian burger's like that's just some fat boy shit.
Yeah, like, and there's nothing Italian about it. It's just on a hero. It's a burger on a hero.
It's the tomato sauce with the mozzarella. Hey. It's my mama's sauce.
I'm like, yo, some high motherfucker took a hero roll, put French fries, ketchup, mayonnaise, and a chopped up hamburger in this shit, and called it an Italian burger. That's exactly
there's no mayo. There's no mozzarella on your Italian burgers.
Nah,
what?
It's just regular cheese.
Oh no, you gotta get the. You're not getting the White Plains Road.
The White Plains Road special.
The White Plains Road official Italian burger. You go. It's best eaten at 4 a.m.
Yo, 176. Step your game up.
Okay. You gotta have that dangerous food.
Yo, Mama, I'm coming. I'm talking to you.
That food you order you order inside the store, then you wait outside while it's made, so niggas don't rob you. Then you gotta come in very politely, like everyone ordered already. Okay, I'm gonna go.
All right.
Because you don't want to skip someone get shot.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. And you don't want to bump into the fiend leaning in the corner, like not ordering shit. Nigga got one wing and one little bit dinner roll. Like
always come while you wait inside the bodega. Always one person that come and ask for some weirdo shit, and everyone be like, "What the fuck?" They go like, "Yo, I think he's got butt lube." They'll probably be like, "What?" Nah, y'all got like lube for your butt. Get out of here, nasty. What's wrong with you? Fuck wrong with you?
Yo, you nasty.
This nigga ask for butt lube.
Yo. And then the shorty pull out her camera like, yo, this motherfucker asking for butt lube. What a nasty. Yo, you nasty. You nasty. Look at the camera. Look at this motherfucker. He nasty, yo.
There's someone coming in like flip-flops, like some chick like, let me get one tampon. You're like, what the fuck is going on?
Yo, the bodega's next door. It's right next door, B.
It's like, I got you, Poppy. I'll pay you back later. Show credit. Even worse, like get the wild dope fiend couple come through and be like, hey, let me get one of the rose pens. We got a room at the hotel over there. Yeah. It's our crack anniversary.
Yeah.
Do you know what today is? It's our crack anniversary.
Still chasing the dragon, y'all. Yo,
you know what?
They go to the motel.
You're my bitch, so you get the first puff.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yeah, bless the
Who
rock.
said chivalry is? I'm dead.
Yeah, my fault. You and
spark it up.
Yeah.
Look at it. You and me. We're like Billy Joel and Michael Jackson. We're like rock stars.
Yeah.
And the Grammy goes to Julio for this fucking rock. Knocking on the door like,
hey,
I'm here with my side chick. Keep it down.
Yo, y'all smoking crack in that. Smell it.
I can smell the fumes. They're affecting her nose.
The fuck? Yo.
You can turn to the one channel that got
her pop so deep on crack, you blowing mine right now, B.
You triggering her.
Yo, I was getting top and you fucked it up.
You only got 40 minutes left. You can pay cash. They was like, we take debit cards. Like, yeah, I don't feel safe using my debit card here.
Yeah, nah.
Can I get the bowl for the bucket of ice?
Niggas look at you funny when you ask for the bowl for the bucket of ice.
Like, nigga, this ain't a real hotel like that.
Nigga, you here for an hour. What the fuck you need a bucket of ice for?
You go to the ice machine, it's the bed bugs chilling with the maids and shit. It was like, you seen the Wilder fight? That shit was wild.
That shit was wild for real.
Bed bugs, like legs are swinging. Shit, yo.
Smoking a Newport and
Like,
shit.
yo, they put new sheets in B12.
Oh shit, okay.
Shit.
It's about time. I'm about to go over there. Yeah.
I'm about to infest the shit out that shit.
Word.
This motherfucker don't want to let me off for Christmas. I'm not even trying to work. Ain't no thing though. I just put in a resume at the fucking Best Western downtown. Girl got big things going on. Smoking them at Pall Mall. The official cigarette of bed bugs.
Bed bugs. No, bed bugs smoke American spirits. They roll themselves.
They roll their own, like, yeah. Nah, I pay for my own tobacco. No, I mean, like,
Yeah, bro, I roll my own rollies,
that.
bro. I make a filter and then I
I can
roll
do
it,
this.
bro.
I can do whatever. Why am I trying to big tobacco using his other arms? Why should big tobacco take all my money, huh?
Huh?
Still rolling.
Nigga rolling 3 bogeys at once.
Smoking back to back. Smoking till I burn my nails. You know what it is.
Why? Yo. Oh, man.
Should we?
What was the end score of the Knicks game yesterday? I fell asleep.
They lost by a lot.
By more than 12.5? Or 13.5?
I think I worry about the spread.
Yeah.
The Knicks, yes, they lost by 28 points.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Shit.
And people was like, "Yeah, told that L." I was like, the Knicks are not that good this year. Like,
The
we're
Knicks-
playing like a mad young team.
Yeah.
Relax.
And also, let me tell you something, Celtics fans. I want to take a moment to tell you something.
Talk to 'em.
Before the season
Talk to them, I have to.
Before the season started, you motherfuckers were so hype. Yo, we got a squad.
Yep.
Wait till Kyrie come back. Wait till Gordon Hayward come back. Yo, it's about to be lit. Yo, we running the East. You niggas are barely over 500. Barely over 500, stupid. Then you beat the Knicks who are in tank mode and you get hype? Suck my dick.
Wow.
From the black. Celtics fans.
Such anger.
That's right.
Such poetry.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. Niggas is trash, bro. Blow it up. Kyrie coming to the Knicks. And KD. Fuck y'all.
Who else? That's it.
Fucking Jordan coming out of retirement coming to the Knicks.
Bootcut jeans.
You know what I'm saying? With the
the
Mary
hoop
J.
earring.
Blues.
He's gonna shoot the ball from half court. He's gonna go through the actual hoop and then go through his hoop earring. So that y'all niggas know.
He's like, I've been practicing that.
Still got that, nigga. Still got it. Still MJ out here. 23 and me? No, 23 is me.
Is me, motherfucker.
Genetic testing? Nah, just bet what you are. He's like,
He's like,
Dominican. Niggas just lined up. He's like,
DJ, come in out.
he's like, you Ugandan, nigga. Next.
Next.
He's like, I'm not.
My dad's Irish.
Ugandan.
Ugandan, nigga, fuck out of here.
So we from Nova Scotia. Next. Niggas like, that's a place?
Yo, my God.
Did you eat your avocado toast?
Oh, shit. That's for me? I thought. Nah, I can't violate.
Is it actual avocados?
Yeah, it is. I think it's Victor's though.
Oh.
I don't violate.
It was a test to see how hood you are.
Yeah.
See if, because a real nigga would have ate some avocado toast. But a hood nigga would have been like, what the fuck is this?
I mean, like, yo, my Dominican roots, I'll eat avocado with literally anything. Like, I'll put avocado on a bowl of Captain Crunch.
Right.
Fuck. But avocado toast is a lot, B.
Yeah.
Yo, is this yours? Avocado
That's, no, he left.
Oh, okay. Sorry. My bad.
He's talking to random people. Do you not know how
That
to...
sounds like, yo, no, that's not my nigga. I don't eat avocado toast, B.
Avocados.
I eat chimis. At 4
Could that
a.m.
be a thing? Could you make a chimi avocado
A
toast?
chimi avocado toast? Yo!
See, that's the kind of thing that doesn't sound that good right now, but like 2,
Branding.
3, 4 a.m.
Oh, yeah.
We got to get that Bodega Boys truck and start like
Ooh, just give niggas the wild drunk food.
the
like,
wild junk food and shit.
Like, yo, fam, you
Selling
wanna
niggas Hot Pockets and they ice cold in the middle.
Yeah, but it got an onion ring on top
Ooh.
and like mustard.
$17.
Woo!
And you got to wait 25 minutes for it.
Hell yeah.
And you outside the truck like, damn, why is it taking so long? Them niggas ain't doing that. We just in there on our phones and shit. Like, yo,
Yo,
make
shit.
these niggas wait.
Yo, put 30 seconds on the Hot Pocket, B, so the inside's still cold. Boop, boop.
We get away. No, who's gonna? Is there like, if we were bootlegging Hot Pockets, who's gonna stop us? Who?
Yeah, who gonna check us?
Gonna stop us?
Come on, B, we already put
Or
out the
even
bubble
worse,
guts.
lean pockets.
Oh,
Let me tell you something.
Oh, God. Fam, that shit is poison. Like what?
Everything is like if you're just like, yo, the big life change I'm gonna make, I'm gonna switch from Hot Pockets to lean pockets.
All right, fam.
Again,
good
Death
luck.
is like,
Like, yo, fam. Come
lean
on, speed it up.
pockets. Lean pockets.
You added
no
a week.
food that you cook in the microwave could be lean.
No.
We've all tried it.
You could warm up food in the microwave.
Yeah.
If you
You can't cook a whole meal like all
Nah.
those like because those Stouffer bowls and stuff. You be like, yeah, I'm about to fuck with this, and then be like, yo, this has 200% of your daily amount of sodium. You're like, damn. But niggas get shot every day, so. Which would you rather? Which is worse? Getting shot and dying, or like dying from like? How do you die from sodium? You just get like
a heart attack.
Heart attack.
It depends on how you get shot. Like if I get shot and die instantaneously, probably get shot.
What if you get shot and you like bleed out over like 8 hours?
I'll take a heart attack.
You just on the ground cold and shit.
Yeah, I'll take a heart attack.
Yeah,
yeah, because heart attack, like you might could come back from that. You know what I'm saying? Like there's a lot of people, and then it's like even better. It's like, yo, he beat the odds.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You feel me? But like you get clapped, and it's just like you're on an airbrush t-shirt for a month, and then niggas forget all about you.
Damn.
Yeah,
it's true.
That's facts. I got plenty of airbrush t-shirts. and the hood staple of like getting a laminated photo of a nigga that got murked.
Those are so ridiculous
and
because
and then like this big.
Yeah, because it's like mad big, and then people get upset when you try to read it. I'm like, yo, like you want your friend to sleep in peace or not? Let me read what happened to his bitch ass. I got clapped.
Yo, it's like alien transmissions coming in and shit.
She's like, yo. I remember I was on the train and some girl had one on. She was like, what are you looking at? I was like, your brother who got killed, clearly. You have him on a fucking index card on your neck. Like,
wow, bro, like, you serious?
And
like,
I'm like, you know what? Not for nothing. If this is the attitude your brother had, I understand why the fuck he got clapped.
He's just not stopping on the train.
On the train. I'm like, yeah.
Mad tears on his scrubs and shit.
I'm like, yeah, sorry. But if your brother was like you, he was a bitch ass nigga. Everyone's like, oh shit.
Oh shit.
They're like, next stop, interview. No, I'm sorry, I was wilding.
Yeah, my fault. And then it just like comes full circle. You got to get blood work done, and it's her, and she's like, boom, boom, boom. She's like,
who's a bitch ass nigga now?
Bitch ass nigga now.
She's not even finding the vein. She's just stabbing you. Ooh, sorry.
Oh,
don't move.
Oh, sorry.
If you move, that's what happens.
You know who moves? Bitch ass niggas.
Yeah. I'll be like, you know who doesn't move? Your fucking brother.
Oh,
wild it. Give it for the Platinum Squad. They roasted the fuck out of her brother. Oh shit. We gotta. That's what we gotta get. We wanted. What's those things with the gyro meat that rotates?
Oh yeah.
I just need that in the back there, so when I get hungry, I just go cut
a slab of meat. Yeah,
kebab, is that what it is? Kebab, yeah.
Yeah, we need that kebab on deck. Yeah.
And then like as we're recording, just like milk studio employees just come in and like take kebab and shit. But they were like mad apologetic, like sorry. Just got the wild electric knife, like just getting some kebab. Don't mind me.
Sorry.
You know what? We're having a conference, so I'm just getting some kebab for my team, for the art team.
They got the Peter bread on the sterno and shit back there and shit.
What exactly? Yeah, we need kebab is like goat meat or lamb.
Is it lamb?
It could be anything, right?
Lamb? It could,
yeah. Damn.
Dude.
Can you Amazon Prime that?
I felt bad reading about eating lamb because I would order veal like at an Italian spot once in a while, but then I was like, how they make the veal?
Yeah.
I was like, they put the lamb in a box so that it doesn't move, and like it doesn't.
Yeah.
Muscles don't move, and it just stays mad tender. I was like, wow, that is wild. And then foie gras.
Yeah.
Where they just like force feed ducks until like their liver explodes essentially. And
Yeah.
I was just like, wow.
Is that shit hot though?
I was like, that is something that sounds like I would jerk off to that, but I would not eat it.
Listen, anytime an animal has to suffer for a meal, whew. I want to do a show and all we do is just eat animals in cruel ways and shit. We just go to DR and just bite a dog on the side of the road. Like,
Dog is like, Poppy, what happened?
Hey.
Why, hey.
You leave him alone. He's just good dog.
Fucking wrong.
He's not a good dog. He's delicious dog.
My nigga, I just got hit by a fucking motorcycle over here.
Did this dog just call me the N-word?
The fuck?
Wow.
P.O. writes in on the dog and shit like, yo.
Did you see that PETA this week was like, stop using anti-animal language?
I see that and I thought it was a joke.
All right,
I thought it was like some clickhole shit.
They said instead of kill two birds with one stone, you said feed two birds with one scone.
Yeah.
Instead of be the guinea pig, be the test tube. Instead of beat a dead horse, feed a fed horse. See how they switch it up? Bring home the bacon. Bring home the bagels. Sponsored by Slow Mo the Clown.
God.
Have a happy Hanukkah. Bring home the bagels.
Bring home the bagels. They're hot.
Bagels half price. Hey,
Half price at the ShopRite on Route 9.
I want my motherfucking cinnamon raisin bagel, bacon, egg, and cheese right fucking now.
Sir, read that.
Right fucking now.
We're just baking up the bagels.
Fuck that. Right fucking now.
We're baking up the bagels, sir. You gotta lower your voice.
Fuck that.
The kids are sleeping.
I don't give a fuck.
Who gets a cinnamon bacon, egg, and cheese?
That was just, I was like,
cinnamon raisin,
what's
bacon, egg,
wrong
and
with
cheese.
you? I was like, how smacked are you, my G?
That doesn't sound right.
Ugh.
That don't sound right. Something's not up there. I think that it seems. I don't trust that video.
My man,
I think he might be trying to go viral.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
It looks a little hoaxy.
All right. Now bring home the bacon. Bring home the bagels.
Did you say anything like looking like not embarrassed? I was like,
because that's probably not the first time you did that. But you have to know what bodega you're gonna wall at. Because if you do that shit at my bodega. Listen, Poppy did not survive 20 years of war in Yemen for you to be slapping your hand on the top of the fucking counter, okay? You see that poster behind the cash register, him with the gold-plated AK-47?
Yeah, he still got that shit.
Okay? Look closely at the bottom. That's his parents' heads, all right? He ain't let nothing stop him from coming to America. It's like, I'm going to just convenience store.
That's a fact, bro. Yeah, keep playing.
Bring home the bagels. You know time to bring home the bagels.
Poppy don't got fucking the David Ortiz bat and the fucking Glock under the counter.
Watch it. Be careful, nigga. Oh, fuck.
Yo. The jam room.
The jam room. You know what? It's so warm in here. You can take a nice nap.
Yeah.
But also, it's like anyone could walk in at any time, so you can get murdered. So I would guess.
That's also facts. Also, that dog is terrifying. Can we get a shot of that dog? Look at that fucking terrifying ass dog.
There's a person inside of it. There's a person inside. He's just being very, very still.
Hug me. Hug me.
Ah.
That's the last episode of Black Mirror. Like, we just jump out of that dog like, yo, what's that so long?
Scary. It's scary. No, it's gonna start talking to us, and we're like, well, what the fuck are we talking? When we get upstairs, we're gonna find out the world has been replaced by dogs like that.
Oh shit!
Everyone keeps calling us meat bags.
Oh no!
And it's like racial discrimination against us because we're human.
Oh, it's like
and there's no bathrooms because we use bathrooms inside. Dogs don't. So they turn bathrooms to like apartments and shit. But we can't just like. So we got to shit outside, but we can't shit with our owners, and we don't really have owners. So like we keep getting locked up. It's very sad. Very sad.
You got to clean up after yourself.
Yeah, and that's not allowed. Like you have to be owned by. We're gonna get treated like the dogs of DR.
Damn, bro. Just stray, like getting kicked and shit, abused.
Niggas begging for KFC.
Yo, please, let me choke to death on this chicken ball. Let me end this misery.
Niggas just try to run into the water and just drown themselves. They keep floating. Sad. Man. Has Trump done anything wild lately?
He did. He's always doing some wild shit. But did you see that fucking question about would 10 Mike Tysons beat one gorilla?
Yes, I saw that.
What is your take on that?
No.
Absolutely not, right?
Absolutely not.
Like, yo, all I had to see was that video of the gorilla spinning around in the kiddie pool to know that a gorilla would fucking crush. A gorilla would crush your fucking entire torso with one punch.
I think what people are just like, they're looking at regular videos of gorillas. You're not looking at a gorilla when they're upset.
When they're tight.
A gorilla could fuck 10 people up very easily.
Very easily, fam.
Just tear them from limb to limb.
Yo. Fam, limb by limb, we're gonna cut them down. Yo, you know what I'm saying? But yo, catch a gorilla when he fucking want a cinnamon raisin bagel, bacon, egg, and cheese, B. You in trouble.
Gorillas.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Gorillas.
Yeah, you need like a 50 cal before you go.
Yeah, for sure. 100%. And a machete.
Because they're like 400 pounds of straight muscle.
Fam. And their arms are like fucking columns, nigga, in like a subway station. I'm like, yo, if the motherfucker just fake smack you,
boom,
your head is coming off.
Oh, God, man.
Damn. So now that's our new thing. We have to do like a pay-per-view, like fucking like, I don't know, some big brolic like Brock Lesnar type dude versus a gorilla in Dubai.
Oh, wow. What about Tyson with Fury? He has like the long reach.
Yeah. Tyson Fury versus gorilla.
Maybe not gorilla. Oh, I was going to say a black bear, but I guess the gorilla is. Yeah, make that be cool.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Revenge for Harambe and shit. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, that sounds like a good thing. We can make that happen.
We can make it happen. Let's do it. Dubai Boys up next. We got camel fights. We got Tyson Fury fighting a gorilla as the undercard.
Fighting. We're going to be racing magic carpets.
That's right. All that shit.
That's right.
Stupid.
Fighting for the ability for women to drive in Saudi Arabia.
That's right.
To ride or die.
Ride or die. That's the slogan. Ride or die.
Oh, shit.
Oh, God. God damn.
Niggas just trying to make it happen out here.
That's right.
Just happening to make it.
That's right, baby.
Oh, man.
It's the jam room, nigga.
Jam room is hot shit, fam. I forget that when I get dressed. I'm like, oh, you got the camera ready. I forgot you got to dress like it's like fucking Orlando in here.
I'm gonna come with mesh marina.
Watch next time. Now that I know, I'm about to. You think I'm going to Art Basel next time I come in here? Come in here, some speedos, like yo.
It's a cool ASAP Ferg, nigga. It's Tommy Trunks and Tim's. We in it.
Is that the move?
You know what I'm
Shout out
saying?
to everyone at Art Basel, still at Art Basel. Shout out to everyone that went to Art Basel with actual art. What the fuck is wrong with you? That's not what it's for.
That's not what it's for. It's for doing cocaine and doing graffiti.
Okay, and like taking weird influencer pictures, and then you go down to that district in Miami and take a picture on the fucking pink wall.
Yeah, you throw a penny into the Yes Jules fountain. You know what I'm saying? Like,
it's for the kids.
It's for the kids, bro.
It's for the kids. We provide vibes to the kids in Africa.
Provide vibes. Man, just trying to get through with a fucking AC 130 and just drop mad vibes.
Vibes.
We know you want rice and shit, but yo, here's mad vibes.
A little African kid holding vibes, like she gave us vibes, y'all.
Yo, she gave us vibes. She gave us vibes.
Water is important.
But vibes.
Did you know if you teach a family how to vibe, they can subside on Vibe for 6 months? Hi, I'm Sally Struthers.
Is that Yes Jules Fisher? Sally Struthers?
Yes, Jules, the new Sally Struthers.
Oh, shit. Finessing out here.
Come on, ICS. You can learn vibe repair, TV and vibe repair.
Yo.
Medical vibe billing.
Medical vibe billing.
Vibes.
Vibetronics.
Vibrator repair. Vibes. Vibes is vibration. Oh.
Yo.
Just figured that out. Wow. Someone told me I had low energy vibrations.
What the fuck does that even
I was like, all right, we're not talking. Like, fuck this. Like, I was like, you want some other shit.
You want some like crystals?
You want some Babylon shit?
Yeah, like,
all right?
yeah,
Nah, man. Nah. Okay, only thing we recognize is stuff from our white Anglo-Saxon god. Get out of here with all that. Scoopy the loop. Or that brown people magic. None of that.
Yo. Oh man. Niggas really be out here with the crystal shit though, heavy. Like, yo.
I mean,
this crystal
meth is good. Oh, you mean? You meant you want some different.
Like, no, it's just this like Urban Outfitters that like create vibes for your room.
Nigga said, yo, I'm trying to vibe.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, free idea for Yes Jules. A line of crystals. Yes Jules crystals. You need vibes? We provide vibes.
Vibes.
Available only at Urban Outfitters. You know what I'm saying? Pong. There you go.
UO. That's what it's called.
You know what I'm saying?
It's okay.
Yeah.
The urban.
UO.
Or the kids say, I'm going to the urban.
The urban. Oh, God.
You tell, like, that's what you say before you, like, leave your apartment with your boosted board.
Yeah.
You tell your stepfather, you're like, Ted, tell mom I went to the urban. Don't follow me.
Go to the urban, Theodore.
Sure. Don't call me by my first name.
Fuck
I'll call you whatever the fuck I want to call you. You're my real
You're
dad.
not my real daddy jerk.
You don't even know any Fortnite dances. I'm out of
Fucking
here.
loser.
My dad's a cop. Dad is not a cop.
Dad is not a cop. He's like, well, I'm a lawyer.
Close enough. I work with
Fuck
with cops.
you piece of shit.
Hey.
Buy me another car. Hate you. I caught your fucking mom the other night. It's disgusting.
So we have to share. That's my mom too. No, it's not Theodore. Like, you can't deal with no stepkids. See, if you marry Cardi B, Culture is gonna be doing shit like that.
Yeah,
the little kid.
Run up on you while you smashing and
Fuck
shit.
you. You're not off. Offset's my real father. You're not even amigos.
Yo, fuck out of here.
Fuck it.
Fuck out of here.
What, Dad?
Yeah, that way.
Nigga cursing you ad-libs. Mama!
You ask him something, you say no, nigga be like, Mama!
No.
He told me no, Mama!
Oh, shit. Oh, man. It's been episode 137.
That's right.
More finger popping of the zeitgeist.
Yes, right. Enjoy it.
You know, it is another jam for the jam room.
For the jam room, we jamming.
As we call them, jam sessions.
That's right. We just jammed out.
Sponsored by Smuckers. And we want to give a shout out to Miss Mary Elizabeth in East Orange, New Jersey, who's turning 100 years old today.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
I love
Happy
that part
birthday.
of Good Morning America.
Yeah.
They always show like people who turn 100 years old and sponsored by Smuckers are like, because I look at it, I'm like, wow, they look to 100. this person's probably racist. This person's probably racist. If you want Smuckers to acknowledge you've been on Earth for 100 years, you did some racist shit. You either went to a lynching or set one up, or didn't stop one,
or RSVP'd at least and didn't show up.
You was just like maybe save the date.
Oh my god.
Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle,
right.
aka Pocket Stay Fat like Cheerio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like here we go.
Yay.
See, I changed that so we could host the Oscars.
That's right.
I'm no longer bullying little kids.
That's right. He's a change.
Don't make me go back to the old D.
He's a changed man.
All right.
Look at the range, fam.
Chris Dasport, Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher, Gully, Slow But That Might Know Ya, bitch.
Woo.
Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nans with Rondo, Mil Novacenta Eventa E4, Mikel going off the Juve Boss, MC Lugunga P. Pulling up for 40, with your shorty, aka Talk to Me Where? In the Oberpool. Why?
I don't know you.
Oh, the original.
I don't know you.
Plus one.
Don't
But put some guy on too. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know.
Listen, I'm just invite the whole hood. I don't even care, man.
Yo, you good. You on Showtime now, Daddy.
Jesus Rossi, Jamaican Jew. Happy Hanukkah.
Hey.
Jermaine out. It's the Festival of Light.
Yes. May it be lit like the Shamash.
Okay. It's also the Festival of the Light Butts. If you go to hey, Jermaine out Cosmos, Young Pop, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Takuni without the coonery, aka Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Gay, low, gay.
We're shorting up the rotation.
You know what it is?
You know what I mean?
Making another run next year, like we say every year. G-Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cup, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
3 times.
Gotta do it 3 times.
You know what I'm saying?
You'll probably burn off your clip.
Exactly.
Get out of the trap, yo.
You need that hood.
Mr. 240P, because I like my Pinot blurry. Oh, man. Up next, we got DJ Woolite. Oh man.
Washed FM.
Washed FM. We play nothing but the classics.
Washed hits.
Today. You guys, what y'all know about a little thing called...
What?
Little priming for you. Little Winona's Big Brown Beaver. This video was cool because they were dressed like those characters from the Duracell.
Yeah.
That's a Wash reference.
Yeah. This is actually about a vagina.
All my white people was like, yeah, these with the deep cuts. Yeah. The Curry Goat, these Spice, Jamal Hasbro, Jamal Ceiling Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Reno, you cannot contain, oh, don't try to contain me. I don't fit in plastic containers.
No.
Sponsored by Container Store. Do you remember me? Word the job. Young Aaron, the race provocateur, Hedwig Bloodcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio, can't see me, Vladimir Boofin. Do you remember word is melting in your mouth? Mr. Baxter, Ricky Tiki Squavi, Greg Popovich, More Sage Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that.
Yo,
Cucumber,
yes, stick it longer.
It's like a mushroom.
Yeah.
The juice of the press, but your boy never is. I am the art damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cover news, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over, Cashing Over. Will you make cents, 5 cents, $10, $10? Forget the small change.
Talk to them. What do you need?
Big money, what? Don't answer my salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left. Cause man's is Marv.
Don't cheese me, bro.
True Rizzuto. Holy cow, I'm at the money store offering low income payday loans in the 80s. You can spend the money on Crazy Eddie's.
That's right. Him and Montel.
There you go. My soft palm. Mr. Soft palm, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Self Soda and it's me. Hey. Change your baking soda. David Yerman. These expensive. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes. These is divorce papers. So Akeem Noah. Andrew Coonanen. A.K. the Junior. Any God Junior. Come sit down.
Yo, sit potted. It's not wireless.
Y'all won.
Yo, you feeling me?
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip and Syosset.
Hey.
11791, stand up.
Hey, I heard this guy had sex with one of Billy Joel's girls.
In the bathroom on the LIRR.
Unbelievable. This guy's a legend.
Who does that?
This guy's wild.
Hey, play me that piano man. AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket.
Never.
All right? And also shout out to Willy Wonka, who got away with murdering 5 kids.
Yeah, he did. A lot of people don't know that.
You think about it. That's a horror movie.
Shout out to him.
We watch that like it's whimsical. He killed 5. We don't.
Shout out to him.
Low-key, I think he bought the chocolate factory just because he wanted to kill 5 kids. He didn't care a fuck about
in creative ways.
The long con was he wanted to kill 5 kids. So salute that
Shout out to you.
We gotta make the wild dark
chocolate.
And this is like. You got like rich people watching, and they're betting on which kid dies first and shit.
Yeah. They're like, the fat one's definitely going first.
Fat one's going out first. Ooh, and like they're bidding on the bodies. Dark. Willy Wonka and the Darklit Factory. Yeah. It's your man Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff.
Yeah.
Stealing horses. Mr. Chopping that street easy with bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic crack your back like automatic crap matic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka the sheet mask killer. Aka your problematic bae. Listen, if you have a secret family, you don't have to acknowledge them on Christmas. That just makes it hot.
No, it just makes them stupid house.
Give them a gift for 3 Kings Day.
Yeah, just send them a postcard with your real family on it. You know what I'm saying? And
With the wild, you should be here.
yeah. Straight Ponzi scheme, aka. That's one of my AKAs. That Ponzi scheme.
Young Ponzi scheme.
Young Ponzi scheme.
Young Bernie Madoff.
Yo, it's your boy the Kid Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? I respect Juicy J, aka Skirt Loader. Trip the curb, hit you fucking Afghan hound, nigga. Keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I don't care if that nigga's a prize winner. Aka I know fucking baby, I fucking Ming, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Aka no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, motherfucker. I was Zordon for half a season of Power Rangers. Yeah, nigga. Season 4. You know what I'm saying? Respect my IMDb
Was that
credits.
the Dominican Power Ranger?
Yeah, he was like,
he couldn't do none of the turns properly and shit.
Papi, I don't know. You have to fight the lady with the yeah, shit. You have to do robot.
Destroy all the Platinos.
You put it together. You elephant. You elephant. Black, the black one, the yellow one.
When they were joining to make the line and shit, you just had like a black Cadillac. You were just driving up.
Let me ask you a question. I think it's a little bit racy that the yellow ranger is Asian and the black ranger is black man. I think that's racy. What do you think about that?
I actually wasn't allowed to watch Power Rangers because my parents thought it was a Babylon thing.
It was a Babylon thing.
True story.
Oh my God.
Wait till you read my children's book, okay?
Oh God. AKA CC Dab at the AKA get to the shmoney and the schmuck. It's your boy Goldman Schmirat. AKA I got all my jobs as writers on the new Showtime show, even though half of them can't even fucking write because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're just doing what Trump did.
Yeah, exactly. AKA Big Smack B.O. Boy, AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? That's just one much coke. I fucking don't give the most illustrious post-game interviews. Google me. AKA Dick in your baby but you don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. That's it. Okay? You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale. Pow, pow, nigga, take that for data. AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. God damn, it was a Benz. I fucked up. What the fuck? Oh, sorry. The console isn't open. I jammed it. There might be drugs in there. I apologize. Oh, shit. AKA the Dominican Dada Dagman Daddy, AKA Swipe My Card Again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies with the God. You know what I'm saying? AKA I'll eat your mom's ass. Tu favorito, mami. I'll eat your mom's ass on stage in front of your tío. I don't care.
I care.
It's me, Romeo Santos. So Danny.
I bought her those tickets for her birthday.
Let me black out.
Yes.
Look at my Chelsea boots. I'll stomp you out in these shits. I don't care, nigga. They suede. I get blood on suede. I don't care. AKA Lighten El Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke ass ain't got 5. You know what I'm saying? Shut the Lighten El Dutchie. AKA Tom Pritzker got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still out here doing these things, taking PEDs, all of that. AKA Feel the Ass Tyson. Very controversial, AKA might need to drop it.
Whoa.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We'll let the court.
This might be, we're going to have to, you know what? We're going to
have to hang out on the
put it on hiatus for a while.
We're gonna, you know what I'm saying?
All right.
AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, you know what I'm saying? I'm over being, I fall asleep on Instagram Live, let's get it. AKA Friday, Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. Now you gotta get some sticks. Because I'm at Target having a panic attack. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi, the flagship Mama Sushi on Dykeman. Hello. AKA Ben Boston.
Oh, here we go.
My hands are gifted. I will single-handedly enlarge your penis and adjust its curvature so that you may go and fuck yourself.
Wow.
Candy, get the strap. AKA, open your fucking medicine cabinet, secure your bezels. You know who it is, man. It's the Zen, man. AKA, Rico Sabroso. AKA, Lucius Lioness, nigga. Come, absolutely not, officer. I am not drunk. This is my natural speaking voice. This bottle of Patron in the passenger seat was a gift from my Uncle Melo. He was a Tuskegee airman. Come on, man. Show some respect. Show some respect for my brother. my fallen comrade, aka Baby Newport 25, aka Nino Brown should have caught it down, aka live from the front of the bodega starting a Kickstarter for a beer. It's the East Stream on Stevie B. That's right. And listen, man, some more Rockstars life. It's only us, the Bodega Boys, of which I am. The plantain swooping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, having FOMO aboard a Basil and cocaine.
Allegedly.
You know what I'm saying? Allegedly. I'm gonna say that one more time. Allegedly. AKA, Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail. AKA, shooting down Nazis on behalf of an unappreciative government and people. It's your boy Tuskegee Air Bar Mellows Anthony. I was in Red Tails, nigga. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target blowing weed smoke into the air purifiers to test their effectiveness, approach me like a fucking Earthside mammal, B. I may react erratically. Hello, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll fall asleep and piss on myself. Yo. Uncle Magic, drop a pin, you bitch ass nigga. I'll fucking fuck you up. AKA, I'll so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Windex and Swedish fish. I don't give a fuck. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, ¿qué fue? Que estamos activados. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el ejército de FIFA, coño. Viene Chucky hoy, coño. Vine a dar. Oye. Coño, yo vine a romper todo. La tarima, los récords de las redes sociales. Y pila de toto, mamagüevo. Tú sabes qué es lo que es conmigo. Mami, deja de estar haciendo bulto en Instagram. Que tú te arrancas. Si tú estás en chapeo, ponlo claro. Pa' que te ponga de bombera y jale de esta manguera. Pa' hacerte el lipo. Le llegaste. Desacatado andamos, coño, a lo loco. Andan con palo y par de tumbacoco, ¿ok?
That's called motherfucking bars, nigga.
Cálmate para no meterte un poco, ¿ok? Shout out Showtime, shout out Cash Out, you know what I'm saying? Como siempre, shout out Lost Me, shout out DJ Hasan y Sen, el más loco de todo. Shout out Dímelo, el papi de la lady. Shout out el broquete del capitán. Shout out Jubilee, la más dura. Shout out Basti de lo mío. Llega la grasa, mi gente, me quité ya. ¡Pum!
Dear Airbnb.
Brr.
The neighbors at the Airbnb I stood next to were very loud and Dominican. It is now 4 a.m. and he is doing some sort of shout-outs to De Lo Mio personals of some sort. I would like to be refunded immediately. Been episode 137.
Yeah.
We got this bitch. See you next week.